No, to export stems, yeah?
Yes.
Can you welcome people to the after lunch?
After lunch break, we resume. We're gonna go so fast like zoom
We got 2 people watching.
Oh.
on Twitch and on Zoom. Patch will make your soul consume. Don't assume. So I'm trying to build. So I have this awesome device that I'm working on, that I've worked on, that can basically you can set velocity and pitch over one bar and have different amount of steps and different stuff. And trying to build something. So I want it to actually be scaled, but I'm having an issue here.
Oh, we're doing an interview now also.
Ah, cool.
We're having an interview coming up. What are you doing in this? There?
I'm trying to put a scaler on this.
Ah, you do want this notes, this piano roll.
Yeah, so it can be scaled.
So each note has to be.
'Cause right now
each
it's
step
just-
needs to be different note, possibly.
Doesn't have to be, but yeah.
Yeah,
So you
it
have
could
a
be the same.
range. But so this goes from 0 to 1. I need to convert that to a different range.
Oh, you're also using Rode.
I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, we have the same one.
Voy a ir a tu derecha.
You don't like to work with headphones?
I don't see it.
I give you.
Ah, thank you.
If I have. I remember taking them, but not.
Yes.
What's going on?
Wrong thing. Sorry.
Yes, I know. God,
Yeah. We go?
whenever you wanna come back
Yeah, I'm here.
from the metaverse,
Yes.
we are ready.
Let's go.
So,
So why are you, please? Can I put this on? I will put this on you, it's okay? You're gonna be asking questions?
Yes,
Can I put this on?
to myself. Why?
He's live
Because we're
streaming.
Live streaming.
Ah. Well, I
Hey,
rather
hey.
not, but
Why not? Okay, I'm not.
sorry guys.
No worries.
I'm shy.
Yeah.
I'm always behind the camera.
No worries at all.
You're not gonna be showing stuff on the TV, or yes?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna be showing. And you probably want me to take video inside, so you can mix it
yes,
later?
but you can, yes, but I think we can do the questions first
Okay.
because we edit a lot.
I can also take the video, record the computer, but let's see.
Maybe it would be nice.
From inside, I think is better.
Wearing the
Yes.
glasses.
Yeah, sure.
And we will see what happens there.
Yeah.
Okay.
TV.
I just move my computer.
Yeah, go ahead.
We'll put some.
I can put the website.
Okay. Well, I don't mind doing the streaming thing. I can do it.
Oh, wait.
We're already live. You're already in the shot. Here's the stream shot.
He's getting me.
Yo, I think it's good. I believe it's good. Can you say something?
Say some. All right.
Cool. Thank you.
Sure.
Check the show.
Sorry, I moved it.
So I'll ask you some questions.
Sure.
And you can look at me, no need to look at the camera. And this is for a recap film about the whole program of the workshops this week here at imal. And we will edit a lot, so at any time you can stop, start again. Ready? Check the audio.
Sound check.
Check, check, hey. Check, check. Hey.
Yes.
Cool.
Whenever you want.
So for a start, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Gad Baruch Hinkis. I'm working as a product owner and head of content at PatchXR. And we have our product that's live on the Quest Store. It's a VR product called patchworld.
And would you like to tell us about the workshop you are running at imal?
Sure. So the workshop is invited artists, students, creative developers to learn our system, which and our product and how to use it, which is built out of two main things. One is a layer that is like the basement layer, which is basically a 3D node-based programming language. What that means is that instead of writing code with your fingers on a keyboard and have a text file, you can actually, in VR, take objects and connect them together to affect each other and create any kind of creative experience that you want using gestures, changing interfaces like buttons, and it's all virtual. So you can create games, shows, music, art, whatever you want. And so we have 3 participants from very different perspectives that they're all kind of bringing what they are interested in. One, a beat maker, a hip hop producer that wants to find a new way to bring his music into the metaverse so that people can step inside his music. So he's learning how to use the different devices and instruments that we have in the app to make music, which is a big part. And one dancer that is is a researcher for dance and technology that is looking for ways to translate movements and gestures into controlling visuals, lights, and sound. So we are teaching him how to use our technology to basically translate the gestures of his movement using the controllers and the position of the dance in space to translate that into changing the color of the world, changing lights, and so on. And we have another guy that is already very deep into technology, that is very interested in how to connect to other tools that he has, music and Arduino and different systems, and connect it to a mixed reality environment. So he's interested in how do you combine the virtual and the real world into one kind of creative space. So they're all working on very different things, different levels, and we're kind of guiding them to have something finished, a little prototype, a little idea that hopefully by the end tomorrow we will combine it all into one project, one world where maybe we'll have a little performance.
Oh, that's incredible that at the end of the workshop you can already have something which is working.
I think for sure it's gonna be working. It might not be as of course, the longer time you can spend months on a piece of art because the tool that we have is very deep and also it takes time to dive into it. And it's just great. They're very thirsty for the knowledge, and we're training them how to use the tools.
You mentioned doing a show on the metaverse. Mm-hmm. What makes shows on the metaverse different to a show that you prepare to present in front of a real life audience?
Well, I guess I would say, just thinking out loud right now, the 2 main things is, well, give you an example. When I used to have an art crew in Berlin that we used to do interactive parties, which is the idea that usually in our modern world, people go to a party and they consume. There's one DJ that is throwing the music to everyone, and everybody's consuming the music, the whatever, drugs, alcohol, they're just there to consume. And what if the party that you go to is actually where you create? So what if you go to an event and you not only just dance, but you can also, you have lights flying around you and butterflies, and you can touch the butterflies and it adds something to the music. So VR and these technologies enable people to be part of the show also, because all the sound is being generated in your headset. That's one thing. So, and just also the environments that you can create and the lights is just, it can put you in a completely different world. It's going to be very costly and hard, maybe impossible, obviously, to create. So you could have a party on a mountain on the moon if you want in VR. So just the possibilities are endless, and it can promote interactivity and having the audience participate in the piece in different ways. And the other obvious thing for me is that you can connect with people around the world, and you don't have to leave your house. So you can stay in your underwear in your bedroom, or do whatever you want, and connect with people around the world, meet new people. Of course, I don't think it replaces real life energy, but it definitely is a benefit, and a lot of people can, you can really connect and meet people and have a fun, lovely time in VR with people around the world.
And you mentioned quite a lot of different elements that you can design and integrate, like you mentioned color, lights, and interactive objects, the music, obviously. Could you enumerate like what are like all these different ingredients that you can actually?
I could probably show. It's
Yeah,
gonna
cool.
be-
Yes, it would be good.
Maybe just before that, I would say that I forgot what I wanted to say. Also as the artist and as a musician, it's not easy to start and finding a place to perform. Maybe you perform in your local bar. It takes time until you get to the big stage that you always dreamed of. Through VR, you can access potentially a worldwide audience from your bedroom. So I think there's a huge value there for creators. And there's definitely a thirst for that. If we're just talking from the creator's perspective, huge artists like, what's his name? Scott, what's the name of the guy? Travis Scott. And other artists that did metaverse shows in Roblox or Minecraft or places like this that had huge following and audience. They are huge stars with a lot of budget and people working for them. They spent a lot of money into it. We think that it's a huge opportunity for bedroom producers, creative artists to have also access to this platform.
It widens the reach.
It widens their reach. It gives them opportunity to create things they could never do otherwise. And it's honestly just a lot of fun to create things in VR and you can do whatever you want. You can have like a huge banana that triggers a sound effect, or it can be very creative. So it's a lot of fun.
It would be great to see
Sure.
some examples. You make it sound quite doable and hands-on.
Yeah, well, there is a learning curve.
Yes.
And we are also still in the beginning of,
Oh yeah. Could you please move your chair a little bit forward?
Absolutely.
There's a cable. Wait.
Yeah.
Now.
Let me put on the thing here.
We are filming a short demo.
Yeah, I know.
What time is it? Okay. So maybe let me save this.
Screen capture of the...
Yeah, I'll trigger it in a minute.
Oh, okay, great.
Okay, I'm gonna start recording. Okay. So in the app, as I said, we have a layer of content creation and for like creatives to build whatever they can imagine. But also if you are just, let's say you're just a music fan and you want to have some nice experience with music, you can jump into a ready-made music studio and just start making music in a interesting new way with gestures, with creative. Ow. Wait a second. Wait a second. You can cut this part out. Okay. So this is a collaboration with our MC called Harry Shota from the UK. Shout out to Harry Shota and Urban Dub. You have here 3 instruments, 1 drum, so you see just with moving my controllers inside here, the gestures and the lights and the sound, they're all together. So if you want, and also here. So we have these very playful, more intuitive instruments that you can learn how to play. And you can actually add other ones. So we have here a library full of a lot of content, a lot of sounds. We also have tutorials to teach users how to play with fun characters that explain things. I can just jump here maybe, I'll show you this one. So, this is a little introduction to the concept of patchworld.
Very good. Okay, didn't see you there.
Hi.
So, what do you think?
Very good.
So, maybe you want to know what patchworld is all about. What is the meaning of patchworld? Well, let me show you.
So I'm gonna actually pause this ghost, this teacher, and I'll show you in a bit how you can make a teacher like that yourself. But I'm gonna pause him, and I'll actually show you in this world. You see it's a bathtub with some rubber ducks, but actually, after a while you discover that if you click some of the buttons on your controller, it actually moves the pool. If you click these buttons, it moves, it affects this rubber duck. Now, how does that work? So you have the sound, the gesture, the movement, and the visual effect. So if I go underwater here, there's actually a button that is turning on edit mode. And in edit mode, I can see how everything is built. And now you can see that actually there are hidden elements. And these are blocks. So for example, this block is an oscillator. If you come from, if you know a little bit about music production, you know that an oscillator is just something that generates sound. I can take a speaker, I can plug it, it just makes a sound. But in this constellation of blocks, it actually moves the duck and makes a sound altogether. So this is just to give you an example, a simple example, relatively, of what you can do with this. But you can use the same system to create full games with characters and pretty much whatever you can imagine. If you want, I can show you for another example for a little beat that we made. So it's a world with some pre-made instruments that we designed. Where is it? Here. So let me mute everything 1 second, and I can show you what each one does. So it's really like you have a studio full of this virtual equipment, virtual gear. And each one of these instruments, each one of these pieces of hardware are actually designed with the same blocks that you saw a moment before. Let me just put some more light here, because it's a bit dark. Yeah, okay, now I can see better. So this is a synthesizer. It also has a keyboard. And if I open it, you will see that it's actually built with a lot of these blocks. That each one does something else. And when you learn the system, and if you have some experience with audio development, then you can really build any kind of instrument or machine that you want. And it can create sound and create visuals, movement, a huge variety of things.
It's really great that you can start with a layer that already works, but also edit everything or start from scratch.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So for example, I can very quickly start a new world and show you in a simple way. You don't need, so this is the block, all the blocks that are like low-level components that you connect together to create complex things. But this is actually in beta right now. So it's not available for the main public unless you have to contact us and write us on Discord, and we can invite you to the beta for specific people that really want to create more of this content. But for everyone else, you can also just drag and drop a sky, some stage, some visual elements like the duck from before, and some instruments. So maybe I can bring in this one. Okay. This is a really nice, simple instrument. Okay. Maybe another one. This one needs to take a sound, a sample. So let me just add maybe. Now you can actually record yourself playing in VR. Let me just do that. Okay. That was me. Let me get some drums, okay? Maybe this. Let me get another. And each one is its own world, but you can learn about it more and dive more into it. Let me get another drum sound here. And like this, very quickly, you can create your own music without needing to deal with the lower level the basement level of all these blocks. So we create all these pre-made material for you to
Impressive.
use with.
Yes. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So much.
You're welcome. Thanks a lot. Thanks for
Yeah,
having
you've
us.
all done a great work, all the developers working on this.
Yeah,
It's
it's
impressive.
a long path. Thanks. So I can get you this file.
Amazing.
You just record it directly in the
Yeah,
quest, right?
yeah. You can see how it looks. Do you have a USB key or something? Or I can put it online, I can upload it somewhere.
Upstairs, I think. I'll bring.
Yeah, we'll bring you one.
Then
Cool.
I put this up. I do.
This one.
Yes. Oh, it's this. Cool. So it's not great resolution, but I think you will make it work. Okay.
Sounded good, the music there, I like it.
Yeah.
Can you fill this in?
Yes.
The permission? Also, the detail that the sampling one is like you put it actually inside,
Yeah,
right?
it's really fun.
It's a really nice design for the sampling part.
What's the date? 28? Yeah. There you go. So you ready to upload?
Yes. I have all the stems.
Cool.
In
Okay. Do them in mono. Export them in mono.
mono?
Well, everything in the app is mono
Oh, okay.
because it's all spatial sound. You can export the both if you want,
I just
left and right separately.
I don't put them in stereo, but not in mono. Just I don't know,
It's fine.
Normal.
Okay, if the stereo doesn't matter, that's what I'm saying, because it's gonna.
Yeah, no, there is
Okay.
no stereo.
Okay, fine. What's this? Oh, cool.
The headset should be on. Definitely on.
So we're gonna teach now how to upload stuff.
Okay.
But he wants to upload, and he's using Melo. So we need to get his samples there somehow.
We will use the on technique,
No, let's just use the portal.
but I can't log in with Melo.
So just put it on yours, and we share with him
So
a world with these sounds.
So wait. I make a world. I need to open my portal.
I can also do it on mine. Doesn't matter.
Why not the old school way? Just import. You want to show them the portal or?
They definitely need the portal. Well, Peter wanted to upload stuff
Okay, I guess it
also.
doesn't matter how to get there. It's stuff on, no?
No, it doesn't matter.
So we just do it the old way. I'm sorry.
Ah,
It's
no.
faster and more comfortable. Connect
Is
the
it?
headset and put the files on the thing.
But there's a problem there. If you do it with uploads, you need to be on the right user folder. It doesn't work if you put it in the uploads thing.
It works.
It's risky. You better do it properly. It's
Why?
not built. We didn't. Just trust me. We didn't build it for that.
I had issues with that. I'm not saying never had issues, but it feels like it's working. The issues is the file size. Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it properly.
Okay, so but he would have then to send me the files, you know? So, why? No, why not? I mean,
Yeah, send me the files.
do you have the files ready?
Yes.
Where are they?
Right there.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Can I delete those?
Thanks. Huh?
Oh, we can start a new user.
You can delete it from the portal. Yeah, absolutely. Click on it. Yeah.
We still the new user.
Huh?
Not Oculus user. We start a new user for him, not an Oculus user, which he will use on the headset and on the portal.
Good idea. You just need a fake web address, or you can use his. You can use your email. Doesn't matter.
You make a user.
Make a user for him.
Yeah.
Easy.
But not an Oculus user.
Not an Oculus user.
This one.
Cancel.
No, just know where they are. Now
Oh,
we'll
okay.
create a user for you.
Yeah, wait.
I don't think you gave it to me with it. No, it didn't have it.
Missing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I think I'm going to end up losing them.
All right. Just get rid of them already.
Open this, where should I go? Patch portal,
Yeah, in the Discord we gave a link there. Go a bit up. Yeah, above this. No, above. There.
portal. Okay. And here, I just log in with what?
Yeah, click login and log in with Oculus.
Okay.
What happened here?
Where?
What is this? What is this?
This is yours.
Okay, and this is from this.
This is from this.
And melody, it's from melody.
Yeah. no.
The smoky one should be here.
It's like in a fish smokery.
Link your account with
Yes.
Link.
Okay, this is you?
Yep.
Cool. So now you can see you have my worlds. You have one one thing that you saved.
Yeah.
And every time you save, it's gonna update it.
Uh-huh.
And you have my library.
Okay.
And here you can add waves, videos, images, and 3D meshes also.
What was the limit of the...
I think 100 megabytes. It should say it there.
Where was it?
Maybe it doesn't say it.
JPEG file about...
Can you click on your profile picture?
Yeah, but it should be 100 megabyte.
What I did, I uploaded a video,
Mm-hmm.
and then I got a second video in 3D.
Yes,
But this didn't have sound.
possibly. Yeah, I think the 3D60 video might not have sound, but you can, and yeah, you could have a sound file as well, and trigger them both at the same time.
Okay.
If I put a point cloud file, might work.
Username?
A what?
A point cloud file
What's a point cloud?
is... I don't know.
What is it?
Points. It takes it makes 3D models based on meshes. I think.
only see the points.
But it's based on meshes.
No. The 3D meshes, it's also very specific.
Yep.
It has to be, it says it there. There should be an OBJ, I think. Yeah, OBJ, and it needs to be together in a zip, in a folder, in a zip. But the OBJ needs to be associated with the MTL and everything. There's a way in Blender to export it properly, but if you guys need more information and you don't manage, I'll ping one of the developers to help.
Yeah, I think it will be interesting to try because I'm sure it should be possible to put meshes. I mean, because point clouds, because at the end those are meshes.
Yeah.
Oh.
But you need Blender probably to export it.
Wait, but so if the format is not supported, it will not take the file. Or
Right.
will it-
These are only the supported files.
Okay, so I just want to try to put it.
No, you won't do anything.
So then
Peter, you have some interesting, cool meshes. Like, do you use Blender things like this? Or you use 3D?
Okay, so what I did recently,
I
So
create
I have my
3DS
own
file.
avatar.
No.
Yeah, he was using melodies.
Because the other software required 3DS for the version
Should we enter
generation.
Discord?
Okay.
Yes,
Say
yes,
if I want to put
think
it
of an app or
on
a
HDR, like a 360.
No, I don't think so.
Here we have
This
the
is-
link to the
But let me see how they can
web
it
part
should be.
where we upload files. Now we will log on the web browser, the user you just created. Have you created a user?
I mean, we have to on our side make it work. So
No,
if
you
it's
have a
not gonna,
user.
it's gonna upload it, but it's not gonna work in the app.
You have a
Sure.
user. Now we want to open the, I don't remember the
That's
link.
you can try, but
You have not joined the Batches REC.
So it's, I don't know.
No, no worries, no worries.
Okay, I just tried to
so
put a normal.
it's see, it's put it here because it doesn't recognize it.
Ah, okay.
So you can click here, it can delete it. You hover and just delete.
Is there, how much is the total capacity we have? I mean, the
Right now, I
storage?
don't think there's a limit on maximum storage.
So we can just.
I would
crash
prefer
your server.
don't, please don't.
Yeah.
You would get us to work on a subscription model sooner than later.
What is happening?
But if you want a 360 picture, turn it into a video.
Into a video.
Yeah, and then it will work.
And then you just stretch it there in the world. But,
No, because we have when you import videos,
yeah.
you have
You need to
one
connect it somewhere.
version that is like just
Flat surface.
flat and one version that is 360.
Ah, okay, okay. That would like
So
to see. I
so
want
try it.
okay,
Then I can upload maybe an interesting video because you don't fiddle around with the object.
Yeah.
I created, for example, this bot that spits links. That's why we're here. We want this link for the web portal. We're going to log in, use your stuff. I've actually had more issues using the web portal than using the old style.
Then let's fix it. We don't want to support the old style.
Gotcha.
Maybe for PC.
For me, I
but
don't get it. If I don't have internet, why I don't want to use the web portal?
troublemaker.
So, pero okay. Go to my library.
He likes it.
I like it.
Why are you causing
I
trouble?
Like it. You're right. I need to fix it. I need to.
It should just
I need
work
to use
better.
it. I just
Yeah.
need to use it. Uploading. Now we have 6 uploads. I believe now. You can start your work.
Hey, can I have a coffee, please? Have some milk?
Yeah,
Some soy milk.
If you have regular animal. Thanks.
How's the life going?
It's challenging. But what's the word? Satisfying.
Satisfying.
How is it going for you?
Like,
Chill.
pretty chill so far.
We need it. A day like this. It's your
In
rest.
Israel, when there's a work that is just too easy, you don't have to do anything. We call it like a whorehouse.
A whorehouse.
It's very non-PC, but it's like
Are you?
it's to be like it's like it's not it's this place. I don't know why I said that. It's very awkward. I wanted to share a piece of culture with you,
You come here.
and now I insult you. I say you're a bunch of whores. Let's just to get on your good side.
What is the workshop that you're working on?
It's a VR music
Oh yeah.
development kit. If you want this compensation, you can come up and I will
What
I'll let you test it.
stuff?
Well, we have like 3 people trying to do something else. One is a big mix, wants to make beats in VR, tap into his music, performing on these machines.
Oh wow.
Another one is a dancer that's looking for ways to translate his movements in lights and colors
Ah, ok.
and audio.
Un peu comme Carole faisait.
But the app itself is pretty fun. You can just jump in and start making music with different instruments.
It's too late. It's too
En vrai.
Yeah, you're invited to come anytime you want to check it out.
Oh well.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's not like we're scrolling and work.
On the horse here. Ag.
Is your last day? This workshop?
Tomorrow is Monday. I fly. Okay, guys. Thanks. See you later.
We were trying to do scripted, but maybe I will provide some on your Discord script.
Okay,
Does
so
this
the
automatically?
port is set.
Now you need the command that will give you the address.
Which is this?
Yep. So let's look at the output and copy the key. I think you need to maybe allow.
So Milan, do you want to sync your export with the beat? Probably.
Yes, yes. He had me and
You have the samples there.
yes.
But now you want to make them to play together.
Yes.
Okay, so let me show you how to do that. You can pause it.
Yes.
Whoa, what the fuck happened here?
I'm sorry, I put the custom buttons. Did you press enter and see the output? With the command?
Oh, it's 0 now. Is that 0?
Yeah. Yeah. It looks like 0, yeah. Okay, so you see now. I want you to do it because copy this one.
Okay,
Yes.
let's see. Okay, cool.
Copy the whole sentence. And go back to your notes.
So I think we should go to your
And let's
Did you save it? No? Maybe save it.
Yes, I save it, but not with the sample in it.
Save it with the sample.
You know how IPS looks like? Yeah. So that's the only thing you need. I mean, there's two IPS here, but I take the first one. I don't know. Okay. I don't understand. I take the first one. Okay. Then you do the third command. Do it here. Construct your command here on a new line. Or you know what? Here, ADB connect. Paste the IP here. Delete the ones which you added. And copy this line. Yeah, copy. Paste. Enter. Failed to authenticate. No, I think it's a matter of what I said. They had to turned off. So you need a sticker. One thing that you need to start off, never turn your headset off. Meta are assholes. Let's bypass them with a sticker. Let's find a sticker.
What?
Sensor is very annoying.
Yeah, for
Why the
the
fuck does this thing turn off?
for the bellow thing.
Why the fuck does the headset turn off?
So what do you do about it?
Put a sticker on the sensor.
Which sensor?
Take a sticker and you put on the sensor. It never happens.
And it never turns off.
It never turns off.
In which
It shouldn't
where
never turn
is
off.
the sensor?
Why should it turn off when you don't want it to turn off? What's the logic behind it?
What is the sensor?
I mean, I understand the logic is to save
You save?
energy,
Good.
save energy. When you turn it off, you don't use it. But in real use case, you often take it off for 1 second. You often take it off for 5 seconds and come back. Why? It's so annoying. It's UX. Sorry, people who do UX at Facebook. need to
Well,
make-
actually, you know what, Milan? It's not gonna be that hard. Actually, you don't need anything else. Because you just put the bubble in one of these, just have one note.
Now you're on the screen copy and it should work. So it's working no wirelessly, right?
Cool. Where's this?
Screen copy wireless.
So where's the bubble
So now wireless.
of the sample?
Nice.
Behind you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You have to.
I don't see it.
Ah, they not sure.
What are you doing?
Maybe I didn't get the... when you click save, it says like it takes some time to upload it to the cloud. But look, actually, you don't even need my help. You just need... How long is the sample? Is it 8 bars or 16?
No, it's 4.
4 bars.
Yeah.
So you just do... just put it here. Make sure this is like centered. Maybe I can add a button here that will center it.
Ah, yes. Like,
So actually, look, this is the pitch, right? No, this is the volume, and this is the pitch. So the pitch goes to this, and this is what holds the bubble. It's a sample player. So for this one, you can just open the device, and you can unplug this and put this on as 1, and that will always be the same pitch. If you don't want to use the pitch on this one, you just wanted to play that sample. Another thing, it's cool because I want you to see a little bit inside so you can modify.
that's interesting.
So here, I'll show you how it's built. Okay? So this is just a series of toggles. And here, there's a button. Every time you play a button, there's a cable going to the button, right? Every time I hit it, one of these cells light up. And it lights up depending on these two dials. So this dictates the, you see, it changes the, let me go here so it's easier to see. If I go from 3 to 2, it's gonna jump here. So you see it jumps the row.
Yes.
And this one jumps this way,
Yes.
okay? So what happens actually, and this one triggers this. So from here, if I open interface, you know what, let's even use this custom slider. This one, this is 0 and this is 1. So it's just to visualize what is coming out of here. So, okay, I have this here, and now I choose this one. I hit this, let me connect another button here so it's easier. I'll connect it here. And now, let's see. It's this one. It sends a 0. If I flip it on, then now it's gonna send a 1 from here. So what happens? This block just sends 16 notes, ta 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 ta, ta all the time. It just sends hits. It's like instead of me doing like this, it's sending all these hits.
Okay.
Okay? And then it goes into this. It's basically a gate that is this play and stop button. If it's 0, it doesn't pass it through. You see it stops here and doesn't go. If I play it, then it passes. That's all it does. It's just for the stop
Yeah, but it's 10.
and play button. So now it's open. So what does it do? It multiplies it by 4. Wait, let's see what is the number that is passing here. It's just, we're just playing numbers. It multiplies it by 4. Then there is some math things that are not important right now, but eventually here it counts like this. It counts every bar. So it goes from 0 to 1, 2. So this was connected here. And this is what goes here, you see? 8.
But then you can
1,
then with some things,
2.
some version and some
So
power,
if I want to change this to just be 4 bars, and I don't have the interface for it, I can just change this, or I think this, I have to half it. Instead of 128, it should be 60. 64, I think. And now let's see. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And this one is connected. Right. So this one's counting 16th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now it's running. But it's not going to output anything here because we need something to press the button. And what do we want to press the button? And it doesn't matter the number that goes there. We just want it to press. So we can take anything. We can even take just this from here directly. And now you see it's going up and down.
Yes, because
Now the script is running.
because
Because now it signs it.
So
that's complex.
that's complex, yes.
Yes.
So, but simply what I wanted to show you is that you can step inside, change this one to 64, and about this, you can change it to 1, so
You don't want to cover yours?
in case this doesn't do it. That's it. But you can just put the bubble here, and it will work together with the rest.
Okay. It will not repeat the same, like, you know, it will not repeat, like, after 1 bar, if I don't put a note, it will not repeat, like, it's continue, okay, that's good.
Actually,
On a other machine, I tried to put a sound, and it always repeats it.
well, it's going to repeat it only when it's here.
Yes.
So if it goes all the way to the bottom, now it's going to repeat it 3, 4, and then I'll start from here again. But here, it's just going to go all the way to the bottom. But actually, you don't even need to make these changes that we did. You can just take this and just do like If it's a 4-bar,
Take it off and you don't
this is
wanna-
8 bars, right?
Remember to
But you can just do
because
one here and one here, and that's
Yes,
it.
yes, yes. Okay.
And maybe you can do like
that's why they have it.
some transition, down, down, down,
Yes, like.
bam, 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 bam.
Yes, 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 yes.
I would suggest you take it off, the sticker. It's like
So you don't need any.
that's
Yeah,
when you don't
cool.
use the device, remove it. I have it all the time on, I don't know. I just don't want to burn your headset.
Bobiliki, bobiluchki.
You want a sticker also? Put a sticker. Or in the Pro, it's not an issue.
In the Pro, it's more issue. Sticker me, stinker.
Where is it?
I don't know actually. Here there's more issues.
Here, you really?
I think it's here. I don't know. Oh wow, there you go.
There's nothing there. I just intuitively I thought they wouldn't use. They wouldn't move it. They would, you know, it's in the same place.
Anybody needs help or you good?
I'm uploading things and then I will show you.
Cool.
Maybe my half loaded.
Yeah, maybe the big.
I'm uploading.
Nobody promised it runs the script, but nothing is happening. Right?
Because the headset is you can accept. You can allow.
I lost 3 times already.
Try again.
This one.
Allow. Allow.
Yes.
You know. But it's super easy. Yeah, here allow. Just press up.
Yeah, okay.
Up. Press up.
Okay.
Can you do it? Press up. No, press up.
Okay.
בגידי, אני חושב,
If you press up multiple times, you'll see your history. Comments.
Okay.
אני חושב ש...
Actually, Temporal is really comfortable. Just use the camera.
אני חושב שכן נעשה בדיקה של הבילד החדש, של ה-MP, ואם נראה כי טוב...
נתקן את כולם.
אבל הם מכשירים שלהם, איך נתקן אותם?
חייבים להוסיף אותם לטסטרים.
אבל אז צריך לעשות update. אתה יודע איך עושים את זה?
או,
אם יש לנו בילד?
או, שנייה, שניהם כבר דבלופרים. בהדסטים.
נעשה להם עכשיו
לא,
סיידלוד?
נשלח להם, כן. עשית אינסטל, אין בעיה.
אין בעיה לעשות?
יש לשניהם ADB.
יש לשניהם...
שניהם עושים ADB אינסטל, מושכים את הקובץ.
אוקיי, אני לא מכיר ADB, אני רק משתמש באוקולוס דב
יעשו
האב.
את זה מ-ADB, אין בעיה, אנחנו רק צריכים לשלוח להם את הקובץ.
יאללה, צ'גה, אין.
בוא, אתה יכול לשלוח את ה-APK כבר לדיסקורד, ללייב, אם אתה רוצה לשים APK בדיסקורד. או לעלות לווי טרנספר, או...
כן, יעלה לווי.
ואני... או שחכה, אמרנו, נבדוק את זה קודם אנחנו.
נבדוק כל מנח.
אז מה אמרנו? להתקין את החדש.
כן, תוריד יש החדש חדש.
עוד חדש.
כן.
נוריד אותו. אצלך ירד?
כן.
מאוד קל להתקין עם ADB. אני בניתי אצלי בווינדוס בכלל סקריפט שמתקין לי.
אל תשוויץ.
מה זה אומר? אני פותח אפליקציה, הוא שואל אותי איזה פאץ' אתה רוצה להתקין מתוך אלה שקיימים כרגע בתיקיית הדאונלואוד. אני אומר לו איזה, הוא מתקין לי. כן, אתה צודק לא להשוויץ. אני צריך תמיד
שוויצר. לא, אני סתם צוחק, אחי.
לא, אחי.
אני לא
יש לי בעיה כזאת.
אני צוחק.
אתה יודע את השיר הזה עכשיו, זה ויראלי עכשיו.
איזה שיר?
ילד הזה מג'מייקה שהתפוצץ.
מי?
ילד, there's a kid, I think he's 15 now, or 16, but when he was 10 or 8, long time ago, his music teacher, or I'm not even sure what is that, but she took a video of him singing, and he blew up now.
Ah, really?
He blew up
Just
now.
now.
Everybody's doing remixes,
What's his house
playing
again?
non-stop. You can search, let me search it. And it starts with I don't want to high and mighty because I know tomorrow I might fall on my face. I don't want to act all high and mighty. Because tomorrow I make follow my face. You know, is the idea.
אוקיי,
Be humble.
תתקין את זה.
It's done already. It's like a be humble type of thing.
אתה צריך כבל? Bitch, be humble. Sit down.
There's a video also.
Was that a remix?
Yeah, it's the remix. You want the original?
No. It's okay, I don't want to hear it. It's really annoying.
Yeah, it's annoying a bit.
Turn it off, please. בי, תכבד את זה. בוא לא נשגע את האנשים.
But that's the kid, the original video looked like this.
Oh.
And this him today.
Okay.
This is the original one, original. 5 seconds original.
Ready!
This morning I wake up and I look in the mirror.
No fucking battery.
Pineapple something, no?
I have no battery on this device. And the other device, I have another.
Milan, you good? You taking a break?
No.
It's not charging?
Yes, he's charging.
Why?
It's red and then I can't.
Okay, give us a minute. But it's connected, okay?
I don't know. I think.
Handbrake.
I'm not sure. Is it?
Here. So it's 100 megabytes maximum the file, right?
B, do you know?
I think it's true.
But this is going to here?
Jonah would know, right?
Yeah, but it's not working.
I haven't been answering lately. He wants to call me.
Yeah?
He wants to show me what he's working on.
Ah,
He's working
cool.
on a web-based
I know.
dog.
I know.
He told me, I didn't know.
Yeah, you're a perfect user for him.
Search megabyte.
So Peter, what do you plan, or what do
So,
what do you want to do?
to work on this.
Mm.
So now I have uploaded 2 videos,
Mm-hmm.
and I want to work on this mixed realities now.
So mixed reality together with video.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then this could be a role that could be integrated in the tomorrow.
So Jorge wants to do with the lights. So the
Yeah.
movement affects lights. Would be cool if there's something that can capture the light. So
Yeah,
I'm not
because
sure.
actually I was thinking with you more just with the bulbs. You remember like the bulbs? Because then actually, with the bulbs then.
No, what we do tomorrow is that once we connect the balls, you can place the balls, the light bulbs in a way that makes sense, no?
But then we need something in the scene to capture the light.
We need some things.
So it would be cool if you have, besides the video,
Yeah, sure.
some 3D things that can capture the light, and so there's some impact.
Some objects
Yeah.
for the light to collide.
If
Yeah,
I
exactly.
have AR, this cannot be defined as an object if I have the AR window.
No, the bulbs, the lights, they don't affect the real world,
Okay.
but you can mix the windows,
Yeah.
and just part of the scene would be cool if we can also use the props that we have and things that we have in the app.
Yeah.
But if you have access to more 3D models that you want to incorporate in the scene,
Okay.
would be cool.
Okay.
Think about it.
So yeah, I found a message of Jonah on the Slack, and he says the limit is 100 or 200 megabytes.
100 or 200?
That's my information,
okay.
the official
I have
information.
a video now 120 megabytes, so if it passes, it's
Try less
because-
than 100. If you have 105, you're a tester. You can help us test.
Did
yeah,
you install?
because actually it says that it accepts that move files, but it's not passing my that move files. That move files is not.
Well, maybe it's because it's too big. It's over 100.
No, those are small.
Oh, it's not accepting it. Maybe because of the name. No, no. We
You
can
have
put
dots
it
in the
all in
name?
this.
There are the dots in the
No,
name?
no, 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 no.
It's a different language name?
There is a dot in the name, yes.
That's not a good practice.
By
Oh,
the way,
there
so
is.
the video it passes and it was 120.
Right.
Okay, great.
So the video thing.
So-
It's not good practice to add dots in the file.
MP4 and we do write MP4. Okay, maybe .mov is not working. Can you export it as MP4?
Maybe copies on MP4.
Oh, where can I see it? Like, yeah. I'm trying to find the video.
Video is not in other, venue other.
No, it's in my. It should be in my. Are you the same user?
Sounds?
Are we sure we're on the same user?
Yeah.
Sounds?
No, it should be. Maybe restart the
I
app. Did
remember
you
the
restart the app?
No.
I have to restart the
Yeah,
app, I think.
for sure.
But you will see there, I think, in venue other.
Not in other. In my videos.
One
My
of the
visuals.
folders. You will see a new folder there, and it will be there.
So then just switch up to.
Just close the app and reopen.
I think I'm ready to test.
All right.
Don't have much battery.
Keep it plugged.
Oh yeah, plug it.
Okay, I'm also already installed. Oh, it overheats, Boris, if you cover the
It will, yeah. You have to
manually.
manually turn it off if you're not using it. That's
No,
what I
I'm
said.
gonna turn it off. I'm gonna.
It's important to.
No, I don't.
If you use a sticker, it's important that you're aware.
No,
of the sticker.
I don't want the sticker. I let Zucker violate me.
What? I didn't suppose to.
Oh, it just shut down on me. I don't know why.
Explorer.
Keep it plugged. Oh.
Yeah, I just plugged it out. Wait, I need 3 minutes.
I have to go to where.
You managed?
Me?
Jorge.
There is something button where I don't think that was my world.
Why? Open the menu again?
This menu? No, I want to go back one level up. How can I go?
To menus, go to menus.
Because I'm not sure if I'm in my user. I don't think so.
Cool,
You are.
refresh.
Yeah.
You're just in a world. It's called avatar editor.
Okay. So
Maybe I'm not sure where you are, but there's no reason why you wouldn't not be in your user unless you logged out. Have you logged out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then
I don't know.
Come back to the hub. To the hub. To the hub.
What is the hub?
On your left hand,
Yes.
press the Oculus button, the home
Okay.
button,
Yes.
the home button. This looks like home.
The Oculus. Is the Oculus button? No?
Well, then try the other hand.
Okay.
The other hand. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Now on the bottom right, is this your Oculus?
This is
account?
mine. Yeah.
Right. Enter a world.
So this is my world.
Any world.
Okay.
Just open any world.
Play. Yes. Play.
What room are you in, Benny?
Huh?
You
I'm in OMG.
Okay. I'm from here. To search for my videos. Go to
In venues?
Venues.
My visuals.
My visuals. Yes. That's it. Okay.
Now, any video you import, there's two videos, 2D and 3D.
Wait, is that it?
Any video you've uploaded, you get two videos, one regular and one 360.
Oh, whoa. Say it again.
Any video you will import,
Yes.
and it should work with images too, but it's not the case right now. So any video you import,
Yeah.
You see there's audio
it
reactive
will be
0
a 360
Yeah.
video.
and there's 360.
Uh-huh.
Put it, try them both.
OMG, yeah?
Yes.
But it says join live room and it just join live room.
You don't see me there? Ah, because I
No, but maybe I was wrong.
refresh.
Maybe I didn't.
Refresh.
I didn't install it. Maybe I installed the wrong version or something.
Okay.
Maybe.
No, I hear your music.
Go out again.
Or is the basic music? These are the default sounds.
Oh wow, this is fucking crazy. And so to raise
I think I'm stuck connecting to server. It looks like that.
Oh, it killed my lasers.
Yeah, go out.
What version are you on?
Yeah, let me see.
There's no hash.
Oh, I had a hash, so I was in the wrong version.
Yeah, you didn't install the.
But I have. At least it told me successful install.
Yeah, but maybe it was the wrong build.
okay, now I need to erase this one.
I have the build I have is 658 with hash F8A at the end.
I don't have a hash.
So I will.
This is bananas.
Oh wow.
And this is super crazy.
I have code 651.
In the beginning or the end?
It's not the hash. Just the. I don't know if 658.
No, incorrect. What is this the play? Can you do something with the playhead? What is this number?
Let me see 1 second.
I need to charge it.
You see that there is, yeah, there's an input and there's a dial.
Yeah.
The dial, I think, is the starting point of the video.
This is the starting point of the
Yes, I think if you put it on 0, then it will start from the beginning. It's not working.
Wait, maybe I just saw it.
No, I'm not sure. I have to. I don't remember so much. Oh, there you go. Now it's on 0. Okay.
I cannot be at 0. I guess that's the point that somehow.
Not
Because
sure.
now it's at 1.
But what is your goal? What do you want to achieve?
If I can control the speed of this.
I'm not sure you can. Let me try it on my side.
Because then, well, I think ultimately what I would like to do is control the playhead speed with my movement.
Okay, let me see if I think it might be possible, but I have to try a little bit. I need a video though. Wait a second.
Oh. Yeah, those started getting nice.
I have to experiment with it a bit. But I see that there's input on the left of this little interface. Maybe you can connect a S2E there.
Connect what?
Connect a stow to the input on the left. Connect a stow there and then try to change the number with the stow.
Okay.
And see what happens.
Okay, yeah, I see.
That might do it.
Okay, let me try. Then this stove.
It's in blocks, connections.
Connections. Stove.
How was it again? If you want to play audio, you need to have a player, right? And the blocks.
Well, first of all, you need a bubble.
So I have the bubble here and
Okay.
the sound uploaded.
So, when you upload something, you have to restart the app for it to appear in your library.
I think when I started it up, he said already preparing the assets or preparing the
Okay.
assets.
So now if you go to your library, sounds, my sounds, you will see your...
Yes, my sounds.
Okay, now just pull it into your project.
I have it here.
Okay, if you have the bubble already, if you hit it, does it play correctly? Is it the sample?
I put a wave, right?
Okay, yeah. Hit the bubble a bit more.
Put in there.
Does it play a sound?
No, it doesn't play a sound.
Can I have a look?
Yeah, sure. I have a second file. Let me just bring
Bring this 3D thingy.
Wait, did it work, Jorge?
I'm trying to just put the...
Okay, yeah. Cool. It didn't connect. It didn't connect. No.
But,
You can just grab it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, again. It didn't connect again. You moved too much. Yes, now let go.
this one go.
Looks like it does something.
yeah, I think you just have to map it, man. And that's
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. I mean,
You know what? Just to test, unplug it. 1 second.
Yeah, just with the...
With the trigger, you can unplug. Yeah.
With the trigger.
Yes. Okay. Now just change the number on this dial, on the stove. Just change the number. Just drag it up.
I think it's working.
Go up and look at the video. Let's see if it's. Yeah. Looks like. But now it's playing anyway.
But it doesn't matter as long as... Wait, because...
You see the play button? I think you shouldn't go into minus. Jorge, you see the play button?
Yeah.
Click it with the trigger. Okay. Oh, wait, click it again. Okay, cool. Now change the dial. Yes. Okay.
It triggers automatically.
I
Once
see.
I go to...
I see. Maybe that still works for what you need. But you see the little dial next to the number above the reset button?
Here?
Maybe this, change it to 0. You can use the joystick. Okay, that's good. Oh, now it's 10. You can use the joystick, just go down with the joystick. Okay, it's not working.
I think it's just this thing, it doesn't allow me to be 0, 0.
No, I think it's...
Wanna try to see it?
Yes, yeah, let me try.
Yeah.
I'm stuck in meta hell. Really.
What?
I'm stuck in meta hell, man. I just want to log in with the user and be a developer here.
Right.
And it turns out to be very, very hard to do. I don't know how to do it.
You're right, Jorge. It's...
But
Okay, I
somehow
think...
it makes sense because it,
Well, let's see this.
for the player, I mean, with the logic of the...
Okay, now it's not working.
Oh.
Okay, so what happens is that... Oh. Yeah, okay, so this sets the starting point, and then it plays it. So you actually send it a number, and then it starts to play from there.
What is
That's how
setting
it
the
works.
starting point?
This number.
The stove, the
This.
number from the stove.
Yes.
The stove.
So if I change it to a 5,
It will start from there.
from 5, yeah. So it's... And it's not so smooth. But I just want to experiment a bit with this thing. This is really weird. Let me connect this here. No, I can't even connect it here. Okay, 1 second.
So I don't get it. Why? What is doing that thing?
Let's see. It's like if I hover over it, it stops. It's weird.
If you hover over stuff, and there is no information coming out of there.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just hovering over it and it stops. I don't know why.
That's true.
Maybe it's a bug.
Or maybe another way how could be like to approach the idea maybe with a slider.
Let's put a slider.
Meaning
Yeah.
that the slider will be, I mean, the whole video will play in one slide.
Let's try. But what I see is that the numbers that are going in here, then they're also triggering the video. So it's not like you can scrub it.
Yeah,
You
but
see,
the whole
it's...
idea. That's the whole idea. We like to scrub the video with movement.
So I don't think we have that option. Let me copy this.
Because what we're doing is then just starting constantly from, so that it's just moving the
Yeah.
starting point of the play,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. What else can we do? Maybe the 360 video has better features. Let's see. No, it's the same and it looks really bad also. Ah, yeah, here you have video progress. So in the 360 version, let me just delete this,
Yeah.
sorry, 1 second. Oh, something broke.
By the way, Luigi, is there a slider that you can go back and forward?
There's what?
A slider, right?
On what?
For the video and audio play on the timeline.
For the audio, yes, and for the video, that's exactly what we're trying to figure out now. And it looks like no. Oh, for the 360, yes. For the flat one, no. Okay, I'm sorry, I kind of fucked up your world here. So maybe did you save?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna reload it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try again with that video. Oh, let's go to edit mode. Okay. So I'm gonna look for my visuals, 360. Okay. So here you see there's input video progress.
Yeah.
Let's see, try to use that with first the stove. So. Also here it's like, you see when I keep moving it, it doesn't really scrub through. But when I let go,
Yeah.
let's see if there's information here. No.
I think somehow it should be set it up in a way that it just goes forward.
No, I guess we don't have that feature. Or it's broken. Sorry, guys.
For the video, to scrub the video?
Yeah. Doesn't work.
Maybe there's the input for.
Let me research it.
Yeah, that would be great.
For dot of,
There is an input, but it's not working.
It's only the output now, right?
For the video,
Yeah, scrubbing, that would be great. Like.
let me try. Maybe there is. I'll ask developers.
Like, can you scrub in sound? Do you have
Yes,
something that
yes,
scrubs
yes,
sound?
yes.
in the bubble, yeah, you can set start time and end time.
No, but you also have a scrub on the bubble player
Yeah, okay, no problem.
that you can
somehow
drive the
the
thing.
logic should work similarly. Because I'm just imagining here that it's set it up in certain way that it just goes forward. So and then if you try to go backward, then we'll just keep on trying to go forward.
Yeah, it should in theory, but it's not. Yeah, it needs development time to do it. But there is one last chance that I'm gonna try something.
I still have to map these values. Just back to where okay. So, no, map.
Is the coffee is free?
I think so, but if not, then
Not really,
I'll
but
give
I mean,
you.
sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Just smile and say.
Yeah.
I can give you some coins if you need.
I think even if it's not free, it's like €1 or something. But,
I have some. Yes, I maybe have some.
just tell her you're gonna pay later.
Yeah, if you don't have cash right now, you
Just
can
say
just,
I'm gonna come later, and then later,
Okay.
or whatever.
Sure.
You're gonna be fine. Smile.
Yeah.
Oh no, go back. Then, so bring this one down. So I said was, I like it with.
Okay, maybe I finally set up the second end. Set.
No, that's 9.
Okay, I have a solution, temporary solution for you guys with the video. There's another block, but I'll have to show you how to access it. But it doesn't, you cannot scrub the video, but it has some other video features. You can change the speed of the video, but you can't scrub it.
Let's check it out.
Sounds like a new video block.
Gav, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
How can I add one decimal here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly like that. Grab the empty space with the trigger. Click with the trigger.
Click.
Yeah, with the trigger.
The trigger. I'm sorry.
Trigger, yeah. Boom.
Okay, yeah.
And now you can go up with the trigger and drag it up. There you go.
Okay. 0404. Okay. Hide this thing. Hide stove.
I ran the batteries finally. It's a patch bug. It's not a battery. Got it. I'm on this multiplayer panel.
You're on it? Okay. You wanna go to OMG?
Guru, OMG, join live room.
Yeah, but I'm starting one, so don't make a new one.
I'm joining live room, and then I have a new menu I've never seen before.
Yes.
It has two tabs.
Yep.
Rooms and refresh.
And under it?
And under it I have start new room.
And under
Or
that?
I have, it looks like a button that should not be in the world info. It should be like a fourth button.
Can you tell me what's under the start live room?
Players 1 started by Gad Baruch.
Okay, what do you think you should do?
I don't see the name.
You see, you just said my name.
No, I don't see the name of the world.
But it is, you're already in the world info page.
I pressed refresh and now I see 3 worlds. I press refresh and I see 4 worlds. Every time I press refresh, I see another world.
Oh my god,
I have a list of 6 worlds now.
What the fuck? Okay, that's a bug. Why are you hunting bugs there? No, okay.
Because that's my nature.
Okay.
I'm joining.
Okay. It's the same room.
Probably it's a duplicate, yeah. I can't move. I don't see my hands.
I see your hands, they're all fucked up.
I don't see my hands. I see you. I see the world. I hear the world. I see my hands down there, but I can't move them.
תנסה להיכנס לעולם אחר? אתה יכול? או שאתה צריך להתחיל מחדש?
I can't do anything. accept, exit the app.
אז תתחיל עוד פעם.
רגע, קרה משהו. קרה משהו ועכשיו אני יכול לעשות את זה.
או,
היה לי
סבבה.
flashing messages. I saw
זה היה
flashing.
בסינק אולי.
I think you allowed me to do it. You were like, not, I think you allowed me, no you allowed me.
אוקיי.
Now it's stuck, the whole thing's stuck. Heavy frame freeze. And you deleted everything, right?
No, now I see you moving.
No, but everything is deleted. There's nothing here. It's an empty world.
No.
I had a heavy stale frame. After it, everything's deleted. We're in an empty world. And you're shaky, really shaky. All your avatar is really shaky.
אתה נראה לי בסדר.
You want to
רוצה...
see yourself here?
אוקיי.
Let's switch. Oh, you look fine. But I see the world and you don't.
Mm-hmm.
And your avatar looks fine, but look
I'm entering again.
Okay, so just numbers.
Wow, the Pro is really pro, huh?
It's alright.
It's comfort.
It's more comfortable, yeah.
It's comfort.
Okay, crash. Is the world sinking?
I think it's too early to test with users. I think we should do just what we know and be patient.
יכול להיות שזה
I
פשוט
know
לא
it's
יתחבר.
hard to be
יכול להיות שזה פשוט לא יתחבר. אז אנחנו לא נוכל לבדוק.
למה לא?
אני אמרתי, זה יכול להיות שזה פשוט לא יתחבר. תישאר שם נגיד.
להתחבר, ראיתי את העולם, אבל אז הכל נמחק פתאום. It was working, but...
אתה עדיין בפנים, כן?
This issue, I didn't move, yeah, I'm playing with devices.
Maybe don't play with device. Let's do one thing at a time.
I'm just here, do nothing. I see you. Your avatar is going wild.
Okay.
But then it thinks you are here somehow.
So my controllers are frozen.
Yeah, that's what I saw, but then suddenly something flashed and it was unreleased. It took like half a minute.
אבל דברים פה פתוחים גם.
איזה דברים?
שמה. כי זה עדיין בונה את העולם אצלי.
כן, יכול להיות שזה חלק מהטעינה. כשאתה תקוע ככה ומחכה, פעם זה היה בחושך ועכשיו אתה לא בחושך.
הנה עכשיו פריז.
עכשיו אתה בטח יכול לעזור.
אוקיי, נכון. ועכשיו הכל בסדר. וגם שנייה. אבל אתה תקוע עכשיו.
אני לא.
לא, הנה אתה. אוקיי, אל תיגע בכלום. בוא הנה, תקשיב לי טוב. אוקיי? ואל תיגע בכלום, ובוא הנה. פה, זה מנגן.
רגע, סטייל פריים? heavy stale frame? Heavy stale frame. Everything's deleted.
For you?
It's gone. Yeah, everything's gone.
למה?
No, just you are here. There's nothing besides you.
אוקיי.
Check it out.
למה זה תמיד לך קורה? מה אתה עושה?
יש לי את הטאץ'.
זה מעצבן עדיין. תביא את הקונטרולר.
מה?
תביא לי את הקונטרולר.
קונטרולים שלך. בוא נתחיל מהחדש.
אוקיי, בוא נתחיל חדש.
ונעשה עולם אחר שהוא ידוע, זה אני לא יודע.
בוא נעשה עולם...
חדש לגמרי.
עולם חדש, בסדר, בוא נתחיל מזה. לא צריך לעשות אקזיט לדעתי, אני פשוט עושה... בוא נלך לאמפטי.
אני עשיתי ריסטארט לאפליקציה של...
טוב, אני עושה live new, join live room, start new room. אתה בטוח שאתה על הזה?
אז עכשיו אני אפילו לא חייב למצוא אותך. אני יכול פשוט ללכת לכל live room ולפתוח את הפופ-אפ דמניו הזה. אני יכול ללכת ללייב רום שלי.
ואז אתה צריך להזמין אותי.
אני רוצה לראות.
או שבוא ננסה, אני לא מצאתי את הלייב רום בלוק הזה.
אם אני הולך ל-MP ואני עושה join live room, נפתח לי, אני עדיין חייב.
אבל אתה לא מבין אחי, ה-join הוא רק לעולם הזה, ספציפית.
זה לא נראה ככה, אבל זה ככה, הבנתי, אוקיי. זה כאילו כן נראה ככה, אני לא יודע למה דמיינתי.
יש לנו בלוק שנקרא room list.
זה מראה את הכל. אוקיי, אז לאן ניכנס?
אתה יודע מה? בוא נעשה ככה, תיכנס ל-empty patch, בוא נבדוק את ה-room list הזה. תעשה start new world,
Start new world.
ובליbrary תחפש room list, rooms list.
room list.
אתה רואה את החדר שלי?
משהו מוזר קרה.
זה לא מוזר, פשוט תמשוך את זה אליך.
משכתי, אבל ראית, אוקיי, אתה יודע מה מתכוון.
כן.
join, אני רואה פה, פה
Empty.
כן רואים את השם. פה
כן.
כן רואים את השם כמו שצריך.
כן.
נעשה join.
כי זה השם, כי שמה זה, אתה יודע מה העולם.
עשיתי join וזה נראה תקוע כרגע.
אוקיי.
זה נראה כאילו העניין, כאילו הבלוק נתקע, אני לא יכול להזיז יותר את הבלוק. כאילו הבלוק התקלקל.
אוקיי, חכה, אולי זה מתאים משהו?
כל המשחק התקלקל, אולי זה טוען. אני רואה פשוט את ה-join button grayed out. יש פה message. יש פה message בלתי נראה.
מה הוא אומר?
היה פה message שהוא היה בלתי נראה בגלל שהוא היה ממש הלאה, היה צריך כאילו לסובב את הראש בשביל לראות. היה כתוב without internet you can only access the content you already downloaded. הוא אומר לנו...
חכה, אני צריך לעשות שזה יהיה פומבי, בטח.
והבלוק נשאר מחוץ, הבלוק הזה, הוא נשאר כשנכנסתי להאב, הוא נשאר.
אוקיי. לא, זה אמור להיות פומבי, זה בסדר. טוב, לא יודע. אז בוא תיכנס כרגיל, בלי הבלוק.
ובלוק אומר לי no internet, בלי הבלוק, עכשיו אני לא יכול להעיף את הבלוק, אני חייב למחוק את הבלוק. אוקיי, מחקתי את הבלוק, הולך אליך, הולך
אני ב-empty.
EMPT?
Yeah.
join live room, join, אותו דבר, grayed out, זה downloading, okay.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
If I have this so mixed reality, and then I have the VR window.
Yeah.
If I want to put something into this window.
Yeah. Well, you can't really put it into the window. You just put it in the scene.
In front of the window, basically.
Basically, the window will. Wait, it's a VR window, right?
Yeah. It means basically, if I have the AR behind, this part will be excluded. That's the idea, I guess, right?
Let me see. I don't remember so much. Let me see.
Like I say, it's the plane which reveals the game view.
Right.
When pass through.
So I think the best way to check it is, but I don't think it works on pass-through. It might work only on mixed reality.
I see black, I don't see the pass-through at all.
Oh, maybe.
I see black.
שנייה, אני מדבר איתו על משהו אחר רגע. אני מנסה לעזור לו. כן.
Oh, now I see pass-through. Full room setup required.
Okay, so don't use the pass-through block. Use the mixed reality block. And then the VR window will just show you the background color or whatever.
So it means what I do next to what I do basically behind or on top of the mixed reality will then show up, right?
The thing is that the difference between mixed reality and pass-through is the Peter, maybe I'll explain it, but can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, so pass-through obviously is just opens the camera, but mixed reality has a definition of the walls.
Yeah.
So if you put a prop here, the VR window doesn't make sense because it's here. But if the prop is behind the wall, the window is actually like a window for what's on the other side.
And that's the other thing is it was this portal.
There's magic window.
Yeah.
So magic window is the same like VR window, but it's got some extra features. Like it's first of all it's circular. It has some nice design, and if something passes through it, you can throw stuff on it through it. I think also, it's a bit more fancy. Okay.
I'm not sure what happened. I see the camera and that's it.
Let me remove the pass-through.
No, but I see nothing. I see just the cameras and I can't control nothing.
I don't see cameras. אוקיי. I'm going to... הולכים לאיידל, הלייזרים נדפקים.
I need to go back. Yeah, I'll close the
אני חייב לסגור את האפליקציה. זה באג אחד.
closing there. Something broke totally, man. I can't even exit the app. It broke Oculus. Somehow the mixed reality broke the headset. I have to restart the helmet. I'm stuck in pass-through.
אולי תעשה דאבל טאפ?
There's no such thing. What is it?
You removed it?
I'm not using it. Let me try again.
Okay, this works. Then, put it here. There's a distance in my head. Unplug it.
What time are we? Till 5. 5 there's a talk, right?
Yeah.
What is the talk today?
Don't know. אוקיי, בי, אני מתחבר עוד פעם. אני עושה לייב חדש.
Yeah, I've restarted the headset. I'm going... Starting it now.
אין לך דאבל טאפ? אתה לא משתמש בזה?
יכול להיות, אבל משהו... יכול להיות, לא ניסיתי. בדרך כלל לא משתמש בזה. אני לא רואה את השימוש בזה.
כן, גם אני לא, אבל...
אמרתי לך, לראות את המציאות דרך מצלמות זה פשוט לא ברור. אני לא מבין את הקונספט. לא הבנתי איך הם הגיעו למסקנה שזה הדבר הכי טוב לעשות. אולי זו האופציה היחידה לעשות.
Oh shit, מה עשיתי?
אוקיי, פתחתי עוד פעם את הפאץ'.
אתה באמפטי?
אני פותח את הפאץ'. ולפתוח את אמפטי?
כן, תעשה... אני כבר לא שם, תעשה אחד חדש.
חדש?
תלך לאמפטי.
אני הולך לאמפטי שנייה. זה פותח את האפליקציה עליי. עכשיו, אני הולך לגמור. אני הולך לאמפטי. ג'וין. אני לא רואה פה חדרים.
תעשה אחד חדש.
אני עושה אחד חדש. אני בחדר.
קול.
שהוא לא ריק, הוא פה עם ברווז. משהו, הנה אתה.
היי.
יופי.
אוקיי, קול. הוא מדווח עליך.
מה אתה מדבר?
שאתה אביוזר.
לא. איך אתה עושה את זה?
On the video
World
screen,
menu.
you said there's a block which is this.
Yes, yes.
I don't have permissions to edit
Can
settings.
you show us like
Yes.
what you said?
Yes, yes, okay.
Yeah, it's here. Remove. Mute
Okay, guys.
myself.
Can you remove me, B? Just I want to see what happens.
Wait, I want to mute myself.
Remove me, please.
Remove you. Remove. Haha.
I removed yourself.
I can't remove myself.
Okay, so
I can
I'm
see
I'm
myself.
still in the room, but we're in different rooms.
Huh?
Cool. Do you see me?
Yeah, no. No, I
And
removed you.
okay, cool.
That's cool. It's like
Very cool.
non-harmful. Like
Yeah,
no harm. I mean, you kicked out, but you're not.
Yeah,
No.
that's cool. Okay.
But why could I kick the host out?
You were the host.
Could you kick me? No. No.
Okay, guys, so I'll show you. It's a bit of a hack because this block is unfinished. So there is a block called 360 kaleidoscope. So it's like the 360 video, but you can change the color, light, different things here. Actually, it could work with the movement.
Yeah.
Brightness, contrast, and pattern size. So you can make it into a kaleidoscope. You can offset and set the video speed. But there's no really way to load videos here. So we need a hack. So what I propose,
Wait, sorry. So that's something just to work. Is like a filter or what?
it's like there's some effects here
Yeah.
so
So it's not made like for to play a video.
it is for playing videos.
It is for playing.
Yes,
videos.
it's for playing videos,
Okay.
but it's unfinished. So there's no way to load the video here directly. So we're gonna try to use the web portal with a little hack. So first of all, I will take this. Now it might not work because the file name here is with lots of dots, so it might be fucked, but let's try. So I loaded this video. Let's say this is your video that you want. And I'm gonna try to save, whatever. Okay, so there was an error probably because of the file name. But what you would do is you would save this world, and then you will go to the web portal. Let me try to save like this. Okay, cool, now it worked. So if you don't have any dots in the name, it should work. And now I will go to the web portal, and you'll go to my worlds. And I think I made another one here before, here. And here you will see, and I can teach you a little bit about how this text file works. It's basically, first, the beginning is just commands that are on the starting point. So you have there that general tempo and other kind of global commands. And once there's like the word spawn, it actually means it's built, when you open the patch, it starts to build each block. So this is something unrelated, and there is this one, which is the kaleidoscope, and right after it there is source. And then like empty, because there's no file here. So what you need to do is save your patch with the kaleidoscope, 360 kaleidoscope, and your video, and then you will see one for the kaleidoscope, one for the video. Copy the source that you see in the video that you loaded, and just paste it here, and delete the other one. Delete the
So
video.
I start a new world, I import a 360 kaleidoscope block,
Yes,
and I import my video.
yes.
Save the world,
Save the world.
go to the portal.
Copy the source path from the video that you loaded, and paste it in the kaleidoscope.
your-
From the video, from the library.
Where is your
Yes.
video? Where's your video?
I don't have it because it didn't upload it to the cloud because the file name had dots in it. But we can try the flow together, okay? So I'll make the video and change it to whatever, this. Now I'm gonna drag and drop it here. Okay, it's uploading. I have to restart the app. Okay, so I'm gonna start new world if you guys wanna see. So I'm going to my visuals. Now I have this. Hopefully that's fine. Okay,
And where? So my visuals were where?
venues. But this you did already.
Okay.
This part you did. You know how to do this, right? You
Yeah.
you upload it, my visuals, and grab the video. Then you type here 360 kaleidoscope, Now it's just an empty block. It doesn't have any video in it. So I save the world. Oh, it doesn't save to cloud again.
Saved.
No, there's an error
No, there's an error.
because are you connected to the internet?
I am, yeah. And when I do it without this,
What is the size of the video?
see, without that video, it works fine.
What's the issue with the video? You've uploaded the video via the portal.
What? Well, all the videos, all the files we
Yeah,
upload.
you only use portal, so and the video plays back okay.
Yeah.
But there's an issue saving it.
Did you have problems saving the world
Saving.
after you upload your video?
I haven't saved.
You haven't saved. Can you try to save?
Let me try. After putting a video.
Yeah. Shit.
I don't remember such issues. No, you should have shared videos with me. Definitely. I have saved videos with worlds, yeah.
Yeah, it should not be a problem.
It could be the issue.
Okay.
Maybe the same name? No.
Maybe it's this, no? No, it's this.
It's
thing.
definitely this thing.
It's a very small video.
Yeah, also it's strange, huh?
No.
Try another video. You know what videos I use? I use the screen capture videos.
Me too.
Yeah. So yeah, what? So weird. What's the file name?
Just random, but it's okay.
Try like another file name.
But
Could
I
be
did do.
Could be an issue with the file name.
Oh, no, let's see.
Try another file name.
What it says there.
What's the issue with the kaleidoscope in EP2? Why is it?
אני פשוט לוקח הרבה זמן לזה, ואין לי זמן לתקן דברים.
למה זה לוקח מלא זמן לתקן את זה?
כי...
מה האישו שם? כאילו למה זה לא...
צריך באמת לעשות את זה, להכניס את הוידאו, למצוא את הוידאו, להכניס אותו... להעלות את זה, לראות שזה עובד בסדר, לעשות את זה לשלוש עולמות.
לא, לא שמעו בכל העולמות. שמעו רק בסטורי נראה לי.
כן?
לא כולם שמעו.
לא נכון, שמעו בכולם. לא?
שמעו בכולם.
ואז גם צריך לשנות את הפרמטרים, שזה יעבוד עם זה בסדר.
תלך ל-AP2 לשואו, אתה תראה שזה עובד.
לא מאמין.
לפרי סטייל מאוד בטוח עובד. שואו נראה לי גם.
זה כל מלודי.
I have a problem in the mixed reality. I don't see the video anymore somehow.
Maybe it's black. Or wait, mixed reality. So you see the reality.
So I see the reality. I have the opacity. Right? Let's do it with, now it's black. So the opacity is 0, and I have a video. And it doesn't.
Is it big mixed reality?
So what did you say, the gap?
Can you try to save? Do you get an error on the bottom in red?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, hello. Good? Good, some, the guys.
There was an error saved.
Hi, how you doing? Guys, hi.
Danny.
Nice to meet you.
Hey. Hi.
There was an error saved into the cloud.
Yeah, huh? What a bummer.
Maybe that's the issue with EP2.
No, it's an older issue. Hmm.
Should I report this?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So import video.
Huh?
Import video and can save it? Let me try that.
You can save to cloud. Try it. Ciao.
So I have to point, if I have a video and the kaleidoscope, the video disappears.
Yeah, there can only be one video playing.
What do you say? I save it and then I.
Yeah, but we found a bug that saving it doesn't save it to the cloud, so it's impossible to work with videos right now and save it reliably. If you save it on your headset, you can work with, yeah, you can. Try to save, you get an error message.
Yeah, and after that it's just giving me problem, like I have to restart it.
Yeah.
So what, from here?
I think we just have to wait with video stuff until we fix some things. So there is a way to do it without saving to the cloud, but I would recommend not working without saving to cloud because it's just not, you're not gonna have a backup.
But say if what I want to do, like, I don't need to save the video. I mean, I can just put it. I mean, still we like to try to control somehow the playhead, or like move the playhead.
Okay.
How would you?
Then you saved it already. Now you need to connect it to your. Now copy into the world the block 360 kaleidoscope.
So
Search. Keep
it.
this. No, keep it. Keep it.
Okay. So I
360. Type 360.
The only thing is if we save locally and we want to connect for the multiplayer, it will be difficult.
It will be impossible, yeah. It will not work.
What we work today is needs to
We
be.
cannot do with videos for the multiplayer.
So 360?
Yeah.
Kaleidoscope.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now save again.
And the kaleidoscope, does the kaleidoscope effect?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay, so now you have to take the headset off, connect it to your computer. And you have to find in the...
So I go here?
No, just connect the headset to the computer. You have to access the files there. Because it didn't save to cloud, you're not going to see it on the portal.
Okay. Because what we're trying to do is like to use a video in the 360 kaleidoscope.
Yes, so we have to take the path of the file name and put it in the other block.
So where can I?
So connect this.
What the actual fuck?
So in the headset, you have to approve the connection. You see that there's a menu pop-up. Yeah, cool. Allow. Now. Okay, now you can take it off again. But you need a way to access the files there. What I use is Android file transfer. B, what do you use? You use Android file transfer.
For what?
How do you access files? Also,
Yeah.
Android file transfer.
On a Mac?
Okay, so you need to download from, download Android file transfer.
Okay, I got the video working. It's I have a VR video. I saved to the cloud and.
It managed to save to cloud?
I got the error message, but still, if I open it again, the video is
Because it said it's on your headset.
Saved,
No, it's all.
It's saved, but locally.
It's so if you delete,
Okay.
so I cannot access it from another headset.
We can't play multiplayer in it. It's not on the internet. It's only on your computer, on your device. Man, to really quest.
Not
It's
go
like I don't know. I'm stuck in like mumbo jumbo of quest all day. Like fucking can't connect, can't this, don't accounts. What is happening? Like really.
כאילו, זה לא עובד?
זה לא מתחבר עכשיו להתקין, אני פשוט רוצה להסיר את הגרסה ולהתקין חדשה. אני לא מצליח לחבר את המחשב, אני אעשה כבל אחר, לא יודע כבל.
So I have that thing and I install my computer.
You have it installed?
Try another one.
Now maybe, yeah, cool. So this is your Oculus.
Okay.
You can see here all of your apps. Here's Patch XR, Files, Patch, and now the file system is like this. Content library is all of the things that are in your library, videos, images,
All the
sounds,
assets.
all the assets, exactly. And inside, and saved worlds is all your worlds that you saved and downloaded.
Can you open that for a second? The
Yes.
save
So
word?
saved worlds.
So it should be test one.
Yes,
Yeah,
test
okay.
one.
Yeah, yeah.
So if we go to test one, it just has the patch file. But this patch file is actually what we want. So drag the patch file, copy it to whatever desktop or another folder, so you can open it.
Copy it.
I have to drag, I think.
But yeah, so not to erase it. Right?
It's not gonna erase it. It's okay. It's okay. So now go there, open it.
Oh, nice.
Let's see. Text edit, blah, cool. Okay. And this is the same text that we saw on the portal.
Okay.
So if you look here, there's gonna be the kaleidoscope with the source is empty, but you should have also a video.
Wait, I just opened with a JSON with the thing.
It's not a JSON, it's just a text file.
No? Okay.
Here, video clip. You see the source?
Yeah.
Just copy it. That's the path, and you can copy it here.
Okay.
And now you can just delete this block. You don't need it. You just want the kaleidoscope. And now save and replace it in there.
Okay.
So you see now, because of this error, you don't have the latest there.
Ah, yeah, I see.
So yeah, connect it. You have Android file transfer. The yeah, connect, or make sure you have Android file transfer installed.
For Mac, right?
Yeah, so my God.
So I've replaced the Xpad. I've replaced it, no? I've replaced it.
Yes, replace.
Yes.
And now you can open the app there, and it should be working. Big time hacking.
Okay.
Where's
Okay,
my-
and then here.
Open the patch again, and The same place where you saved?
Should I close this? Or because I think I didn't close the.
You have to reload the patch.
Yeah, okay.
So exit, don't save. It's gonna overwrite.
I want to make a rant video to Facebook. I want to delete the app there. I don't want to do some things I don't want to do.
אל תשגע אותם,
ever
תדבר
again.
בעברית אם
יש
אתה
כמה
רוצה
דברים שאני לעולם לא
לטפל.
רוצה לעשות יותר. ואיזה דברים אלה? אני לעולם לא רוצה יותר לצייר גרדיאן, ואני לעולם לא רוצה יותר לאשר יותר מפעם אחת בחיים את השימוש של הדווייס עם המחשב.
כן.
פעם אחת. אפשר בבקשה?
Okay, so yeah, now it's there.
Yeah. You see it?
Yeah.
Did it work?
Can you save it this time? Try if it's okay.
Ah, yeah. Try to save again now. If you get the error. I think you would still get the error. It's like something with uploading the videos. למה יש לך אגוזים? למה אתה נוסע עם אגוזים?
לראות לך את הקטע הזה שאני זורק אגוזים על זה, זה קופץ כמו מרבלס. חשבתי שנשים את זה על השולחן, ניתן וייבים כזה של... זה נגיד כזה.
מיקסט ריאליטי.
כן, כן. אולי איזה מישהו יהיה פה שהוא מוזיקה, לא נגיד ככה.
Yeah, there was an error.
Still an error. Yeah, okay.
זה, והבאתי גם
But I
קוד של
see this
תופים.
thingy. Okay, so the
No,
idea
אל תעשה,
from
אל
here
תעשה.
was it like then to
אני לא עושה, רק מלא. גם המיקרופון, לא מי משתמש בו, זה יותר כזה...
זה בשביל ההגזמות.
את ה... כן. קישוטים.
So you see that it has inputs, more inputs, right? You can connect more stoves to it and try to control the video.
I'm trying to control the video thing.
Yeah, there's one, and they're labeled, so it's easy. There's like video speed. Can you try to control that?
Yeah. Okay. Put the screen here and now you can see it. But it looks cool that the link is closed.
Yeah, yeah. בסוף רק חברנו פה הצעיר יעשה הופעה, שם למטה, ייתן בראש, כאילו.
אפשר לעשות,
כן, נראה לי רק הוא יוצא פה עם משהו.
לא, הם פשוט אוריינטציה אחרת.
כן, 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 הם חוקרים מה אפשרי, אבל הוא באמת כאילו מביא איזה ביט כאילו שמן. כן, כן. זה כאילו, תראה, אנחנו צריכים לעשות, אנחנו צריכים 5% כאלה ו-95% כאלה. אולי...
יש יותר כאלה בעולם, יש כאלה.
אוקיי, נראה לי שאנחנו צריכים, זה כאילו, זה בבול, כאילו, 1%, 10% ו-90%, כאילו, או 80%. ככה אנחנו צריכים לחשוב יותר. או, אתה יודע מה? זה לא נכון. הוא כאילו יותר, בגדול, הוא יותר כזה 30%,
ומה אתה אומר? זה מהשוק?
70% צריך להיות אנשים שפשוט באים לראות אותו מנגן.
How can I hide the video for now? How can I hide? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, wait. You want to hide? No, I don't see your screen. Wait, let me turn on screen copy. Yeah.
Okay. So how I could hide this room for now right now?
You just try to hide it like like you always do, hiding things.
What is this?
With the radial menu.
But does that mean?
This is the radial menu. It's a menu that is like spherical, like a circle. So hover over it,
Yeah.
the same way you delete things.
So, hide from play. Okay, for now it's hidden.
Yep.
But I want to see if it's still working.
But if you really don't, you see that it's gray now. It's gonna cover the background color. You should go to play mode to really see the background.
It works for me, saving.
Wait. So if I
What?
put this right now in the wait.
Check it, Daddy. Saves me no issue.
Ah yeah. So the hue is not changing anymore.
Because there's the video, it's just grayed out. If you go to play mode, because every time you hide something, you can still see it until you go into play mode.
Okay.
Click. No, you didn't do it. You can take some distance. There's a laser here. Click one time.
Walk. Swim away. Swim away.
Okay.
Now click one time. Aim there. In the
The
menu.
play
Yeah,
mode.
there you go. Boom. Click it. Here you go.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's a saved world with a video. I just imported it to web portal. That's fine.
Well, as a temp issue.
Could be something with the back end that was solved now.
Okay, you guys should try to save again. Maybe it's solved.
Yeah. You try save with the video because I have no issue. Maybe it was something. Sorry?
Milan, I want to hear. I want to see.
Yeah.
When are you ready to show? I want to
Maybe
see.
have to again restart. Yeah.
No.
To see it.
But it sounds like you could do a 3-minute jam, like play the beat for the people. I would love to see it.
Tomorrow you're doing a show.
No, soon.
Tomorrow.
What
Mañana.
is a show? When we say a show, what does it mean? It means the same thing that you did now.
Yes.
It's just
Just live.
we hear you and we see you. That's it.
Ah,
Don't
okay,
do-
okay.
It's not a show. It's not like
Ah,
it's
okay,
just a short
okay.
demo
Yes, yes,
of
yes.
this world. That's it.
Can I see?
Don't
Yes,
make
yes.
Cool.
it's a very short, also 2 minutes.
I don't know.
I think we should do all of us should do like everyone get 3 minutes to show a little bit of patch.
Yes. Okay.
Right? On the stage.
Let's see what they want.
And then
Oh,
we
it
can
crashed.
do together and we'll do that. If you want, guys.
I restore
gonna show
the autosave?
Yes, yes, yes.
Life save.
But I don't think everything is on point.
Okay, well, never mind. I want to hear.
Like the mix.
It's hard
is-
to.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Is
Okay. You know, you can have more mix boxes.
what does it mean?
The mix box is just more channels. So what I recommend.
Mix box. Yes, yes, yes.
So look, what you should do.
Yeah.
Remember that on each one of these ones, there's a dial on the side next to the output. I would switch them all off. So only sound is coming from Mixbox. And then you can have like 2, 3, 4 mix boxes and you can really just do your mix how you want. You have panning and volume and stereo effect.
Okay.
Just do that.
Okay, yeah.
And then you control the mix exactly how you want.
Size limit. I think the size limit is 25 megabytes possibly on videos.
Is there a way how to reset
The video?
the object that I'm using to the default?
Like what? Like what?
Like I don't. Wait. So what I'm trying to do is say that I want to change the divisions of the kaleidoscope here. Can I
Okay.
do that here?
Yes, you have pattern size.
Okay.
You can put it on 0 maybe.
There's nothing. Okay.
Okay, try to put it a bit higher.
How heavy was your video? Because I think it's different for the web portal and for saving projects, it's different limitations.
זה היה 23 מגבייט.
So maybe with 20. Maybe
Okay. So say if I would like to reset this how it was originally when I put it there, is there some way how can you do
No, not really.
that? Okay. Could be that.
Try to undo.
True.
Okay, I'm importing a bunch of videos, I'll try all of them. Different sizes.
כשזה אמור לעבוד לך, אתה שובר דברים, כשזה אתה אמור לשבור דברים, זה עובד לך.
לא, אבל... כן, זה בעיה. זה מלפי.
כן.
And the sound of this, I did
I don't think there's sound in the video. You have to run it parallel with a bubble.
איזה באטה שאין רפרש מתוך האפליקציה? בפורטל?
נראה לי כמה דיווייסים כאלה כמו שעשיתי לחברנו. בום.
חייב כאלה יותר, כן. כאילו לחשוב על מה...
לחשוב דו,
לחשוב דו ומה חסר.
כן.
והסאונד, כאילו בעיניי, מאוד ברור הראוטינג, כאילו.
מיקסינג.
כן, כל המיקסינג צריך להיות מאוד straight forward ובלי כאב ראש. כרגע אני מתגולל שם, יש ספיקרים לדברים, אין ספיקרים לדברים. סן, מה זה ווליום?
שאלה אם צריך אינטרנל ספיקר תמיד, או ש... רק חבר כאילו?
חייב חבר.
אבל אז... נכון, בסדר, אבל זה לא... אני רוצה שזה יהיה כמה שיותר מהיר, כאילו, ואולי זה לא הקטע. כי אם זה הכל יצטרך זה, אז אנשים שהם באים עכשיו לשחק, אז הם מביאים אינסטרומנט.
אז אולי כשאתה עושה ספון לאינסטרומנט, זה עושה ספון לאינסטרומנט מחובר לספיקר. אם אתה רוצה שיהיה ספיקר, אז תשאירו את הספיקר. אני חושב שספיקר חייב להיות איזה פה. אלא אם כן, בבירור עשית אותו הידן. כאילו, לדברים שהם devices, למה שיהיה הידן? אתה רוצה שאנשים ידעו מאיפה מגיע סאונד.
ואז אולי אתה יכול לנתק ולחבר למשהו אחר. תן לראות אם אפשרי. אני לא בטוח שזה אפשרי לנתק. לשים ספיקר קטן, וגם לעשות את ה-device שהוא ספיקר קטן פשוט, כאילו. Yes.
If I, for example, take one of the stage props, right? So there's this
Yeah.
element, side knuckle, and I want to change it.
Yes.
How could I do that?
You hover over it,
Yeah.
radial menu, go up, there's inspect,
Yeah.
and then you have some parameters. There's the only thing that would really work, I think, is the scale. So you can change the size of it, either the whole thing or every axis.
So it's indeed the size of the video. It's just limited to very small videos.
What is the limit?
I'm not sure, but right now I've tried a video that is 22 megabytes and it's failing.
Okay.
If I try a smaller video, let's try a smaller video.
But I uploaded a video that was 120 megabytes.
That will not work.
To save to cloud.
Save to cloud.
It saves on the device. That's no problem. No
We
problem.
found out that there's different limitations for different things.
So how much is it on the cloud?
I'm not sure.
It's just the patch file.
There's a limitation on uploading to the web portal, and that I believe is 200 megabytes per file. And there's another limitation.
To
I guess you don't
upload-
need to do this. There's a bug, we'll fix it. Anything you upload to the web portal must save. Currently, there's a bug.
Yeah, there's a bug.
I'm sorry, I'm sometimes giving you too much info. I'll good. Thank you. Sorry. If I try 10 megabytes.
I want to upload a small
But the file I uploaded was 75 megabytes.
Yeah, so it loads it to the app, but then it's
Not uploading to cloud. I'm trying now 10.3 megabytes, and it saves.
Okay, I'll try
So a video that's
Okay, but I
10.3
can make it
megabytes, it
smaller.
uploads.
Yeah, I'll try something.
I think over 20 megabytes is not saving, but not sure. This is what I will import. New bug.
אבל זה מעצבן שיש ספיקר כזה מרחף מעל כל בלוק. גם הספיקר זה מכוער.
אולי אני טועה.
אני לא יודע אם אתה טועה.
אולי זה משהו שצריך להיות...
כאילו אני רואה מה שאצלו עכשיו קורה, אבל צריך למצוא איזה פתרון טוב.
תשאל אותו אולי. אני חושב שכל עוד יש... אתה יודע מה הפתרון שלי? כל עוד יש קומוניקציה,
כן.
אין בעיה. ויודעים, כולם יודעים, אז הכל בסדר.
כן.
הרבה דברים אפשריים כשכולם יודעים ומסכימים.
אתה יודע, הרעיון האחר היה שכשאתה מחבר את ה-out של משהו, אז הוא פשוט מכבה את ה-internal speaker.
זה
אבל...
יותר פשוט. כאילו
כן.
יותר פשוט מבחינת UX ליוזר.
כן.
מבחינת ביצוע זה נשמע לי יותר באגי ו... לא יודע.
פשוט אין לנו את הפיצ'ר הזה עדיין.
כן.
נראה לי. אולי כן יש לנו אותו בעצם. Watch.
אין בעצם
Block
זרימה
watcher.
בכיוון ההפוך. אין להסטרים...
יש לנו block watcher, שאני
יש.
יכול לראות אם stream was connected. נראה.
אוקיי.
אבל אני לא רואה שזה עובד. stream... input. So. stream input. לא. לא, אין לנו את זה, אבל אפשר להוסיף את זה. או שאפשר לשים באמת כפתור show speaker.
Fail to save to cloud with no explanation. Actual result. Bug. Reported. We need on Slack or on Discord a listener for the issues. I don't need to copy paste the issue.
נכון.
was the idea for the video size for upload now? 2 megabyte?
For upload, I think it's under 20.
Okay, that's like. Takes quite a while.
Yeah,
It's a bit of work.
yes. But I see you were working on the media. I mean, I'm gonna jump on that.
Yeah, no, I was wondering.
I mean, not tomorrow, like in these days, but yeah, there's content you have to or something.
Sure. No, because what I'm thinking is, he does cool stuff on the music, right? So there's no need now to reproduce what he's already doing. So that's why I concentrate on the other part.
Yeah, I think I found it more like really cool. Like I was thinking honestly like, yeah, because I have basically just this concept of controlling light with movement. And then I thought like, it would be nice if you could see yourself in one window. Then I thought, okay, but that could be cool. That there's a window and then you can just.
Yeah, or for example, what you can do is that I will now change the video size.
But can you do that then? I guess like you put just some window, and then just you see. You use the webcam.
You know what I wanted? Yeah.
Or not?
That gets. I think the live feed in real time is difficult back.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know because
The what?
the live feed. So he says if you want yourself appearing in a video, then we need to have a camera who live streams it directly into the device.
We don't have a way to live stream into the app.
There's no way how to live stream
video into
the app.
No. But
It would be interesting. I want to ask him again because now I make the video. I need to ask you again.
Yeah.
It's basically you have objects, and then you can open and close windows.
Yes.
That would be cool, right? That's the idea that
You can also close them with the set scale block.
Yeah, that's I think I will
to just
do.
they can like jump like this.
We still have a bit of time.
But let's take time at 5 and do like 10 minutes recap and think what we can do tomorrow to collaborate.
I think what would be cool is maybe restart rapidly how, for example, if you have this plan, you tap on it, how you use this tapping or whatever, that you can change the scale, this kind of.
Yeah, that's a cool idea. But I think he has like a really cool like music going on. If we just use his sounds to trigger things. And yeah, if we can add some movements to it. So maybe you focus on building, just setting up, trying to use tomorrow, to use scale on Windows to set up an environment. And then we take all his thing, copy, paste it in your environment, and then like maybe you can add some color to of the background together with that would be fun.
Okay, cool. Can I have several AR windows? Yes.
Yes.
Can you have me to repeat again the process of the? I want to use a different.
The kaleidoscope.
Yeah, the video. Like
So you put the video on the portal, load it into the. So you put the video here, drag and drop here,
there,
restart the app. Now you have it in your patch. You have it in your in the library, in my visuals. Now you will see your new video here. I'll wait. Here. In my venues, my visuals. You pull the video into your world, and now you save it. And now when you go to the patch file, I can show you again. You will see the source of the path of this file. Just have to copy it. Replace the one that, yeah, exactly.
And then, replace that and then open again.
Yes, exactly.
let's try it again.
VP Amir wants to join.
That's why the other one.
Who's VP Amir?
He's a cool guy. I think he's into computer science.
Wants to join the session here? Is he in Belgium?
No, the multiplayer session.
But I don't know if we're gonna have a multiplayer session at this point. You want to try
You
again?
want it just with the new stuff, huh? You want it just for the new stuff, the multiplayer session?
I don't know. I don't know if we will be able to connect with the live version. Try installing the live version
But why not?
because it's not working.
Why?
I don't know why. It's just not.
But when did you see that it's not working? It was working for us great.
And then it stopped.
But we were using some new version.
Well,
now on 6.5.
now, no. I'm
Now
talking
on
about
6.
before that. עזוב, תבדוק את זה בלייב version, תנסה להיכנס.
6.58.
אוקיי, תיכנס לפאץ' ל-OMG או לאנשהו, תראה אם אתה מצליח להתחבר. אם כן, אז בכיף לך.
אני לא מבין למה לא, זה עובד.
אם זה עובד, אז זה עובד, סבבה. אני חושב שזה לא עובד.
זה לא עובד חלק, זה עובד רגיל.
לא, אם זה נפתח, הפאץ' נפתח, סבבה.
אתה אומר, יכול להיות שהוא שינה משהו בשביל לעשות את הגרסה החדשה הזאת?
לא, אני אומר שזה פשוט לא עובד, ששחררנו את האפדייט עם משהו שבור במולטיפלייר.
זה רושם לי קונקטינג בסרבר, אבל זה לא נגמר. זה הבעיה?
כן.
הבנתי אותך. לא ידעתי את זה. אוקיי, אז לא.
צריך לעשות hotfix. הבעיה שהזה שלו הוא מאוד גדול.
זה של מי? PR של...
כן, מאוד גדול.
כאילו לבדוק.
כן, בגלל זה אני רוצה, מעדיף לבדוק את זה, לראות מה כל הבאגים, שלפחות שנוכל לעשות מרג'.
בוא נעשה את זה יום אחרי, או נשאר זאת שעה אחרי בערב בלילה.
יכול להיות שיקח יותר משעה, אבל כן, אני שמח לעשות את זה היום.
לא יודע, כי אם כאילו שעה, אני לא יודע. שנמשיך להיות על דברים.
Did you save that box, Gav?
What box?
Like the box that you want me to try that did not again. The box.
Interaction box.
Interaction box. Did you?
You can just, no, but you can just spawn it. I didn't do much. It's, go to blocks, interface, scroll a bit down here. This one.
And then just
Interface.
change the.
You have the number
division.
of chambers. Yeah, the division. You can make it just
How
one,
do I
one,
do
one.
that? No.
Here, you have here 2. I'll make it 1, 1, and 1.
Ah, yeah. So that was X, Y, Z. Yeah.
Yes.
So divisions and X,
Yes.
Y, and Z division.
And here you have information. So if you hover on the inputs, you have, this is the right controller X, right controller Y, etc. And here is a handle you can grab and stretch it. And
What is the handle?
here on the other side of the panel here, you have a handle that you can change the size of the block.
And what was the trick that you did for not
Yeah.
grab the?
Yes, so go to inspector,
Wait, how can I go to inspector?
radial menu.
Wait, again, wait a minute.
This is, you see here, there's a picture of a circle here.
Ah, yeah, there, yeah.
That's a radial menu.
Okay.
So it's like this. Because
So
see,
it
it's the
doesn't
same
matter
shape.
if it's right or left?
It doesn't matter, no.
Okay, cool.
Are you left-handed?
No, I'm
Okay.
right-handed.
Okay.
Something.
So inspect, and now you have more information and more things. You can also change the color, but it doesn't matter. So you go to interactable when hidden. See?
Yeah.
And you just check this box. And now it's gonna work also when it's hiding. So then you hide it, you put on play mode, and it will still, wait, I'll show you, it's still, see, I put the hand inside and I still get the data through.
Is it possible to still, because I still would like to see the box.
Yeah, so if you see it, but if you see it inside, you can do everything, but you cannot swim.
Grab. So that was the point.
Yeah, that
To
was
lock
the point.
position. We can try lock position maybe?
Let's try 1 second.
There's something called lock position.
Here, let's try. No, you can still you can't swim, but it's good to use if you know the position and you're happy with it. You can lock it and then you can't move it.
So then you can go inside.
You can go inside, but you still can't swim inside.
You still can't swim.
Yeah.
But if you just put play mode, then
You have to know more or less where is it.
yes.
Yeah.
Well, the way you can solve that
Maybe.
is
Another object. You can put objects.
you can put another object. Just put you have stages. It gives you a platform. Now I can just to orient myself.
Yeah.
I know it's here,
Yeah. Okay.
and
Okay,
then
if the video is less than
put some.
20 mega, it works.
It works, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, it goes like the-
So you can save it if it's less
Yes,
than 20.
yes, yes.
Okay.
We'll
That's
fix
right.
it soon, I think, this one. There's
Right.
only one thing I see now in the headset, there's the old videos showing up, but they're only deleted on the portal. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, we probably still have it on the headset.
Delete them on the headset?
Yes, but you have to go to the file. We don't have a way to do it in a convenient way. That's gonna come.
Okay. We have 3 viewers.
3 viewers. Who's there?
Nobody's saying hi, I don't know. Guys, if you're here and watching, just say hi. So many questions. But maybe one of them is you, right? You opened it.
No, I think I closed it. So if you want to know what I'm doing,
Oh, I think I just
I can tell you what I'm
What are
doing.
you doing?
I'm making a little speaker. I just don't know if to make it spatial or not.
No.
It looks like a little
Should
guy
it be
here.
spatial? It should have an option to change spatial, but by default it should not be spatial, I think.
I think I'll make one spatial and one not because I
Somebody's
cannot.
been asking somebody's been asking questions, and I don't see them. 1 second.
Menu. Maybe shows. Yes.
There's some questions here. There's one person called Wimberfeldbean
Okay.
watching us. Wimberfeldbean. I'm not sure if he's on the Discord or where is he from.
Mm-hmm.
He said at first, I want to try something that creates a musical password that triggers an opening of a portal.
Oh.
I said, what do you mean? And he said, like requiring specific MIDI notes from a keyboard in a specific sequence
Whoa.
to trigger an event.
That's a cool idea.
Could start a video or open a portal to another world.
I love it. He's a game designer
Yeah.
by heart.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you make it so I can see what God is doing on his screen? There's a tab in the way. Okay,
Oh,
I got
what
it. I got
tab?
That's an old thing. I have had trouble saving world after uploading video, he says. We found the issue, it's if the world is bigger than 20, if the video is bigger than 20 megabytes, it won't
That's
save
you.
to cloud, we were fixing that. Also,
Yeah.
the image that connects to the particles sprite lock doesn't save.
Which one? Ah,
Image
yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
connects to
That's
the
also a
particle
bug.
Sprite lock. What is it reported?
Reported.
What is that?
Just copy paste.
So
It's for Victor.
the function of the image saves, but the image itself has to be
Is that
deleted,
Todd?
reloaded.
Is it Todd?
I don't
don't know, Wimberfeld being a Todd?
It's probably Todd, I don't know.
I
Yes.
have our video, sorry, window. How can I control opacity of that? Or
You can't. That one is just as is. You can only change the size.
So if you have to control these things, you have to go through the kaleidoscope way, right?
That's unrelated to the kaleidoscope. It's the window.
So how can I change the size?
It's Todd, yeah, hey Todd.
You have on the corner thing. But if you want to control it by patching,
Yeah.
then get the set scale block. So can you repeat, Boris? You wanted to do a musical password.
Actually, we have to then save this somehow phrase. We have to, let's say if it's one note, it's really easy, right? It's listening for a certain frequency. When the frequency's hit,
I don't think you need to listen to any frequency. If the sound is generated, there's just a number.
right? So if that
Let's
number
say we
hits
have a
something-
keyboard. Okay, I'll put a keyboard. Ask him if he's still there, because I'm gonna try to.
He's still here. He's might try with the kaleidoscope. Did not work. He says. Like requiring specific images from a keyboard, specific sequence triggers events. It's Todd from the US. Hi.
Yeah, it's Todd. Cool. So let's get this keyboard. So the keyboard outputs different numbers. Right? So we want to have a phrase. So if there's no time base, let's connect a synth so we can hear it as well.
Yeah, does it have to be in a certain time or can it be free?
If it's free, let's start with that. I think it should be free from what it sounds like. Let's imagine it's free.
Otherwise it's really like a musical
But I have.
lesson or something.
But did
yeah.
you try my rhythm game patch?
Yeah, that's something like that.
Yeah.
It's very similar. It's the same thing.
So Todd, first of all, I tell you that I have a patch called Got Rhythm.
By who? By GTB or
It's I don't know why it's by Urban Dub. It's like mine.
Urban Dub?
It's me, Urban Dub. I don't know. Maybe I made it through his. Never mind. So I'll make this. I'll share it with Todd. I'll share it with the rest of everybody later.
I said try Got Rhythm by Urban Dub.
Todd Falafel. Fadl.
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 I also call him Falafel all the time.
Sorry.
Todd Falafel. I also call him like that.
Okay, so Todd, I shared with you this. It is a rhythm game that checks how close you are to the rhythm, and if you're very close, it goes up in score, and if you're fucking up, it goes down in score. So that's one technique you can unlock if you stay on rhythm for over, like, you can reach a high score.
He says the correct way to say it is fatal. Fatal.
Fatal. Oh, that's pretty badass. Fatal.
Sounds like fatal.
Yeah, it sounds
But he
fatal.
typed it like F-A-Y-D-U-H-L. Fatal.
But if you don't mind, we like the Middle Eastern style of fadl.
Todd Fadl.
Okay, so so you get here numbers. Now you want that if it's the right sequence, then it's gonna go well. So we need to compare numbers for sure. So there's logic. Let's say, just gonna try here something. So let's say it's 3 numbers. Okay, let's say it's this. So 54, 58, 61.
It's getting morbid on us. Because Todd means death in German.
Oh shit.
And fatal means fatal. So
Oh my god.
Todd fatal. Death,
That's pretty
fatal
dope.
Death, and I'm saying like I hope it's not.
But it's pretty cool.
I still replying. How?
Yes.
So now I have the scalar and I have the window.
Yes. So connect. You want to look 1 second here? Get out or look at the screen here. Sorry, Todd, I'm jumping to another topic. So here I have also a set scale. No, this is a color. This is a set scale. And you see from this little chupchik here, you can pull these little magic thingies, and then you just touch the window. Let me add a window, easy. AR window, connected here. Oop. Okay, it's really small. And now, so when you change these numbers, it's gonna basically change the X and Y.
Then but I did
That's it.
I locked the scale.
The scale is amazing. It's the best. Top 10 blocks of all time, baby. Okay, so 54, 58, and 61? Yeah. Okay. And in this order also. So what it means that we connect this here, here, and here. So first of all, maybe we need to create the lose states. So if you miss a note at any time, we need to reset. So let's grab here and put them all into here. So if I hit anytime the wrong note, it's gonna go there. But if I hit, see, first problem. It's still gonna get that value there, even if I get one of the notes right. So maybe we can't combine these values. What do we do? Maybe we don't need 3 of these.
Can it open a new world? Yes, sure.
Yes, but you need to know the world in advance and it has to be published and everything.
Quick question, if I have the scalar and I want to use the map has a different output, right? I need to have the stove.
Yeah, the stove, exactly. You got it. Oh, it's actually easier than we think. Wait a second. We have 3 gets. Actually, just 2 is enough. No, 3 gets. So this will reset, and it's gonna be the first note you have to enter. It's gonna be 54. And let's have a reset button, so we can test it easily, and it will also reset if you hit the wrong note. Okay, so this is reset, there. So the first note that you have to hit is this, which will go to transition to the next step. So if you hit this, that's good. If you hit this, that's bad. We need to reset. Maybe we don't need to reset, but it's an error. So it will always trigger this number again. If you win this step, then we can put in another number. That was 58. Bia, are you following this genius?
I'm trying to. You have a get going into an if, and you're comparing the values.
So look, if I hit here, it's the wrong note. You see? But if I hit the right note, yeah,
only then
it triggers. It goes to the next
get.
Yes, and the next get gives me the next note that I need to hit. So if I hit this twice, it will be one time it will be right, and if I hit it again, it's wrong. So it resets.
How does it reset?
Because it goes from here. When it's right, it goes from, when it's the correct number, it goes here. When it's the wrong number, it goes here and resets to the first note that I need to do.
The second
So now
sets it to be the check for the second value.
yes.
But
So we already did
2 notes.
2 notes. You had a crash?
Yes.
Crashed? Thank God for autosave.
Yes.
Gav, can I ask?
But save. Yes,
Maybe
please.
you need a break also. Sometimes it's good.
Yes.
The crash sometimes signalizes. It's a signal
Signalizes.
It symbolizes
Symbolizes the life.
time out you should be taking.
That's a little bit like a philosophy course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crash course. Oh my God.
You need to listen to the universe.
Contemporary philosophy.
Sometimes the message.
But I'm continuing with this cool little gadget for Todd that is listening at home. I want to finish this a little bit. So, Todd, so next up, I would use the sequence loop.
Boris, can I think whenever second?
So every time
Again, what I did with Gap.
you win, it first will output from here. Second time you win will output from here. Third time will output from here, which will win, have the big win. Now this also you can reset by connecting this. And every time you put a 0 here, it will always start from here. But this block is cool because it goes automatically. You don't have to set any number, but you can still reset. So let's see. If you win the first one, it goes here. If you win the second one, it goes here. And if you hit that last note, it will go from here. And let's have it make a sound effect, a big effect.
So I need to put here.
Okay. Let's see. We don't have sound when it's not connected, but never mind.
Let me connect you.
So let's try it. So if I have a wrong number,
Here?
yeah, on the bottom.
I don't know.
360 kaleidoscope, right?
Yes.
It comes by
Okay.
default.
Put a little less. Okay. So you see, I got one right. Oh, it's wrong.
He lied.
Boom! I win.
It's very good. We got this on video.
But see, something went wrong because. Okay, now it works. And now. Oh, because the win should also reset.
When you
Just
win,
so we
you
can
should listen
test.
to the first step.
Yeah, unless you don't care, but for us, it's gonna be easier to test it.
And what if you want this to open a new world?
Well, first of all, now you have this win state. So you can make it trigger all sorts of things. But let's first, before we do the new world, let's just test it a bit more. I would also add like a sound effect for like a mistake.
Do a new one. Do a new one with the bubble maker. Make a new one.
Maybe a bass.
Make a new one.
Who?
You.
Me? New
Bubble
what?
Maker. With the bubble maker. Never mind.
You want me to make the sound effects? Yeah, okay, cool. Let's do that. So there's also for you.
Guys, we didn't talk about this in workshop, but there's
look.
this one. Okay.
I will do this. Check it out. There's a microphone. You can also record whatever synths or stuff you want from the side. But I'm gonna do like a. Oh no! What? What the fuck?
No, you have to. And wait. You have to press and wait a bit.
Okay, this is the Quest Pro. It's really fucked up, the audio.
Press. Have it running.
Oh my god, the latency is stupid. Okay.
Stupid.
Let me just. All right. So every time you make the wrong note. Actually, we don't need this synthesizer. This is good. Okay, let's play. Yes. And another one. Correct.
Awesome. I love you as a
Wow, you did it! Wow, yay!
as a vocalist. I am a fan of you as a vocalist. I don't know. Yeah,
Okay, I'm just
Very
setting.
theatrical.
Thank you. I just, when I'm getting these compliments, I'm just gonna cut this up. Also, Todd actually is a badass voice.
He said he's dying, but I think I can only assume from laughter.
Yes!
Okay. So I'll connect this here, and this to the win.
So let's see.
I'll keep the sound effect and, oh, I think it's wrong. Wait. This one here, this one here. Okay, let's try. So,
Yes! Correct! Yes! Correct! Wow, you did it! Wow! Yay!
yay! Okay, Todd, I'm gonna save this and send it to you.
Okay, enjoy it. So now you copy it, and now where's the kaleidoscope? Here's the kaleidoscope, and in the source there's nothing. See?
Okay.
Riddle.
I'll be commenting.
Should I? This is not necessary.
It's quite a simple.
Let's try with that.
Okay, Todd, I'm saving, I'm sharing with you. I'm gonna actually make this public, so anybody listening can go to God Baruch and check out the note right on. And now I'm gonna show how to launch a world. You need to use the execute block, and you do edit the text. Load from cloud. Okay. And then let's put a timer so it's like actually when this finishes, there's a output here that triggers when it. Oh my God. Okay. For sure that crashed because we need to put something into that load from cloud. But basically you need to put the URL of your patch. So not really the URL, the ID. So if you go to my world, and I'm gonna take this for example, you just need the product ID, copy it, and then go to your world. Let me just do it 1 second. Yeah, you need to copy it. So it says load from cloud, space, and then put the product ID and set to. But you have to make sure that the world you're leading to is public. So you have to click submit to featuring.
Top numbers in the portal?
This one here.
The top number in the portal. Yeah.
Product ID. That's it. Looking forward, Todd, to see what you do with that.
Yeah. It's the same technique you have been using
Yeah.
in the demo.
In all the contents in the app, like all the portals, they use this.
Oh, I was talking about the new mechanic of the question.
Yes. Oh yeah, Todd, you can look into in Synths, there's new devices, Cubist and VoxSynth, that have a question mark on the side. When you click it, there's a, just open the device, you're gonna see this command in there. So we stopping? Taking a break?
4 minutes.
Yeah. Do we have to close? I mean, you guys.
No, we're gonna stay. We're here.
We just,
You guys can also stay here for now. We don't care. You can
I
stay.
think there's stuff here. At 5 there's a talk.
Yeah, but
there's
the
a
talk I'm
music
not
show.
But you can work. You can do whatever you want.
Here,
Take
you
a
know,
break.
Let's just have a coffee or something.
We're just finishing officially. The workshop is over, but we're still here.
So do you want to have a chat though after in a few minutes about tomorrow?
It just crashed, so I lost it.
You have the autosave.
Did you save the world before?
No.
Or is it
You have autosave.
No, it's a new world.
I should have, no?
It's a new world or it's something you worked on before?
Which I worked on before.
So you have autosave. But I'll show you how to do it because you have to be careful.
Not to open the world, you need to open the.
Yeah. So much information.
Yeah, it's a lot of info.
This is the offset, I guess.
Oh, it works, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I think
What, the video?
Jorge made the colonoscope work.
Nice.
Yeah, well, with one video in particular, that I think it will work.
Nice, great.
So, and then with the offset, then I move the position of the wire now.
I don't know if the offset is the time or is the...
I
What
would like
exactly?
to reposition the video.
So if you crash, Peter, you should know every time that... A second.
One.
Saying thank you. Todd saying thank you.
You're welcome, Todd. Always a pleasure.
Ciao, mate.
Plaisir. Well, it's not entering patchworld. It's probably the connection.
This is the video speed. This is what I can.
Anyway, every 20 seconds, when you're in edit mode, there's autosave.
Super. Okay.
But it also, there's only one autosave. So if you enter again, it's gonna load. It doesn't load the autosave. It loads the last time you saved.
Yeah.
So it's gonna overwrite that file. Okay. So instead of clicking play, click version history, and there you will see a list. You're gonna see autosave, and do it now. Okay. Don't open the same patch. Go to version history.
Gov.
Yeah.
If this thing will.
Show me.
If this thing. Should I get to the decimals again?
To the what?
To the decimals?
You can use the joystick also. Just hover, go right.
Okay.
And go up.
Wait, I just need to put this before back down. Okay, 0, and then right.
With the joystick, go right. Go up with the joystick also.
Okay.
You change the values like with the joystick, so sometimes it's easier. You can still go up with the joystick, and we'll change it.
No, what I'm trying to say is like if this thing could go because
it doesn't go reverse unless.
Yeah,
does it?
The thing. No,
if you go minus.
No, that's the thing because then I can do what I wanted.
No.
Because I mean, yeah.
It's
anyway,
still kind of cool.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. Yeah, if you.
And the offset, what does it do? Just change the kaleidoscope?
I don't know, but because like I would like to reposition the image in a way.
Can you change the offset? Just see what happens. I don't see anything happen.
Maybe it's too strong the offset. Let's try to go to the right.
You can use the joystick down.
No.
Or up. Okay. Can I try?
Yes, please.
Just to see the offset, maybe.
But it's close, like because you can scratch somehow with the speed.
Yeah, but it always go forward.
Yeah,
That's the problem.
Yeah.
But we should fix that.
Find the version control.
Version history. When you click on the world, don't enter it. Okay. Just click on your world. Yeah. Then there's a version history. You don't see a button under play.
I just have visited my worlds, right?
Yes. Go to my worlds.
Then I have mixed reality. That's the name.
That's the name of your world?
Yes.
Okay. Click on it. Click on it.
Okay.
And then you have the play button, delete, everything. You see it?
I know about it. Okay.
You saw the version history. Click on it.
Okay.
And you see the autosave? Yes. So just click restore. So I see offset is just offsetting the pattern.
The pattern side.
And video speed is this, and it doesn't go into minus.
What you said.
Huh?
Took the last version. I opened it before going on this restore.
Uh-oh. No.
Ooh, that's cool with the height. I mean,
Yeah, you can change the contrast, the brightness.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And you can change the coloring also, look. Yeah. You can do all sorts of crazy stuff.
Yeah. So I think that and with I want to try to check the lava and those inputs.
Okay. think the brightness is.
What I didn't give is, say for instance, can I put um, how to say it? Can I use the background? I cannot use it anymore. No, I mean in combination with this. Or
No,
how would you?
not really. The background color.
Could it be? I was thinking maybe through fog or something like that.
It's a cool idea.
If I put fog, then.
I'm sorry, I really messed up the colors here.
Well, it's okay.
You're gonna have to find a way to improve it. But so if I go to light show, let's see. No, the fog does not affect the video. But
Because so at this moment we are inside of the video.
yes,
right?
that's right.
So I was thinking that in layers. Is there a way how we can put another layer inside of these things?
No. You know what?
Object.
You know what? You know what? Maybe.
The problem is that we are in this sphere.
Maybe. There's a thing called device box, which we use for devices, just to put them in a box. And what happens if you're inside, you don't see it. But it has another mode that is glass. Then it's transparent. And then maybe inside, yes, you can see it.
Well,
So
there you can see actually
look. I can make it really, really big.
Wait a second. To make sure if it's working. Yeah, it's working. You see? When you come close, it goes dark.
Oh, shit.
So there's two things.
Yeah.
Like with this, you're controlling between red
Uh-huh.
and purple, and then with the right one, this is the bright, and with this is dark.
Cool.
This is the thing.
Very cool. What did you use for this?
This
Which one?
These two are the distance, but they're mapping really soft.
Uh-huh.
And this isn't the same thing that I was using, but it's the distance between these and the headset.
So the problem with this is we're gonna have the same problem with the device box. If we use this for the room, you see it colors it because it's changing the background color and it affects this, but not the video.
But I think it's kind of okay because if it's in the whole, while I was experiencing it, the whole background is a bit strong. It's too much.
But why not also take the same parameter and the same mapping? This is it, right?
Yeah.
This goes to the hue.
So there.
Why don't we take it to the hue of here? We can actually hold it and then split it into these three. And now it will change the video color. See?
Light one.
Wait.
Ambient color.
You see?
Yeah. And then to use because there's another wire. If you see like.
And what should it do? The other wire? Oh.
Is the one who is controlling. Go to the controller thingy.
Yeah, this.
Yeah. So there's another one.
To control. Yeah. What does it control?
It's controlling the
value.
saturation.
Oh, this is the distance from the headset.
Headset, exactly.
Okay, so let's try to do the saturation.
Yeah.
So it does. The effect is not so strong.
Yeah, but I mean.
But
if
you can tweak it.
Map it, and then you
Yeah.
can get the effect.
Yeah. Okay.
Ooh, yeah. And the other thing that maybe I wanted is to create a threshold and then use it with velocity or speed. Then when you do really fast, then something happens.
Yeah. So let me just set that up. We need the move analysis for this. Okay, I'm putting it here. I'm gonna copy another readout. I'm connecting it to see like, what is it? Okay, let's say when you reach 1. But the thing is, once you reach 1, it recognizes the maximum, and it's changed. It's gonna be harder to reach 1 the next time. Every time it's gonna be harder. Maybe that's cool. But if you want to reset it, there's no reset here. You have to respawn the block. But let's say this is okay for you. Maybe not 1. Let's do it like 80. Okay, if you pass.
But is there a way can you put like a debug button to reset that thing?
Don't think so. I think it's
Oh,
part
just-
of the block
just
itself.
try that.
So
So wait, but I think I didn't understand why it is increasing the.
because that's how the block is built. The guy that made this thought it should have automatic scaling. So every time you reach a maximum,
Yeah.
this would be the new maximum.
Every time you reach the maximum that is set there.
Yes.
The block.
Yes. So like if I do like this extreme movement, so you reached 1. Let's try like this. So let's do the threshold. You go to logic and you need a if else.
Yeah.
So let's say if it's uh, bigger than 50. That should be pretty easy. Then if it's bigger than 50, then activate this bubble effect. Okay, let me make some volume so you hear it a bit. Careful. Wait. It's not. I see I'm going over 50, but it doesn't.
Yeah, sure. But no, I think when you put it in 50 and it's 0.50.
No.
Sure?
Ah, you're right. You're right.
So it's 0.
Okay. Oh, you see, it's triggering a lot now. Okay.
Yeah.
0.5.
Yeah.
If I have a terrain,
Yes.
how can I manipulate that one? Is there any?
So I put it 0.8. If I put it at 0.9, it's gonna be harder to do, but.
But then, how would you go like to then to make sure that you're resetting the thing?
I don't think you can reset, but once you do it a few times, it's gonna set the natural scale, because it doesn't know how fast you are. Maybe you're a sloth, maybe you're a bumblebee.
Yeah.
It doesn't know what animal you are, what's your speed limit.
Yeah.
So once you give it like the actual fastest way you can move, that's gonna be the number 1. And when you're static, it's gonna be 0.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
But if you want, then you just before the show or something, you just set the maximum, and then work around that.
This they have information. This move block when you hover them in each.
No, it's the one that I posted. It's
Is
the one where I posted.
Is the Lavan thing.
Yeah, that's the lava.
Ah, okay. Cool.
Peter, yeah.
Yeah, I have this terrain. Does it have any control or?
Which one?
The terrain, this space, terrain space.
Terrain. Yeah. Which one?
The black, it's this black one with the lines, and I want maybe you can control it moves up and down with the ribbon.
You want the rotor? You want to make it move?
Yeah, that it goes up and down.
Okay,
So
so
it's the rail now.
the rail, yes, the rail, not the rotor. And you connected the same. There's a little black part of the rail.
Okay.
You just use the same like the set scale. Overtime, you guys. It's good. It's good. It takes a while, and now you don't want to leave. It gets addictive after 2 days.
Oh, where was the play of the kaleidoscope? I see.
I have to pee.
So the rail has a block.
The rail has 2 inputs. One to set the range that you want to go through, and another one from 0 to 1. It goes across this rail. I'll be right back. Yo, here on second day of the workshop. People, we're already after hours, but the guys are too addicted to the VR patching, and they just keep going. So we let them play more.
Point six. That's point. Oh, one. This becomes a performance because if you really struggle, you can just do that for half an hour because it just becomes difficult more than you do.
Yeah.
See what I mean? So then it's, you're not you're just like really trying to.
No, but if you do it once, really strong, then that would set the range. But also try to tweak the number so the range, the threshold is lower.
But you see what I mean? Like in terms of performance, like things that work often
Yeah.
is when people cannot catch if it's like if somebody is not acting,
Yeah.
is the best.
Ah, so you want to use this bug
Because
maybe?
then, because
Yeah.
then the person that does that it enters this glitch that the person has to stay.
Focused.
Yeah, because.
And it's like, ah, it didn't work. I want to do it
And
again.
then it's like, wow, so
That's
it's
true.
they create this weird space. And also
Why-
you
why
release
I
a
can
lot of
see-
tension that the technology works. Because working with
Yeah.
technology, then often you're really stressed that it's not gonna work
Yeah.
in the presentation. Right? So then just you release the tension and it's not working as part of what you're doing.
Yo, you want me to have a look? Did you connect things?
Yes,
Reconnect?
yes. Just I can't save. Like,
You can save.
but I save, but
There's an error.
it's just continue. Like it's not saving to cloud.
Ah, now it did it. Sometimes it takes a while if you have a lot of stuff. Man, I love it. Cool.
Is there a way how can you
And,
like
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
in those blocks?
Can I suggest something for now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put in the light show. There's a background color
Yes.
because I see you have the stars here.
Yes.
I can make it darker.
Yes. Why not? And I was thinking like.
Do you want
when,
some effects, particle effects?
Yes, but the particle. When I don't know if you see the stick for the background, but if you change the value, the particle will
Yes,
have
yes,
more
yes.
speed.
Yes.
And you know,
Uh-huh.
if you make like just the melody and the particle like slower.
You want to do it?
Yes, and maybe with the 808 and the kick coming,
It
like,
goes.
Yes.
Okay,
like,
let's do it. Let's do it. So,
It should be really, really
So-
cool.
so,
but
okay.
I can do it.
I will show you how.
Yes.
So there's it has a 0, it's non-moving, and 1, it's moving a lot,
Yes.
and also more than 1. Woo! Okay,
It's
cool.
like
Okay, cool.
really moving.
So I'm gonna. So, which instrument do you want it to work on?
Maybe just the bell and the pad, like the section on the left,
Whoa.
they're all in instruments, and on the top, at left and top, there is 2 instruments like chill.
Don't hear
And
anything. So we want the 808, or you know what? I'll just make the interface. So you want when it plays, it goes boof. Up.
yes, and with one melody and comes in at
So
the same
look.
time in the.
So
in the
look,
808.
there's an easy way to do it. You know the play button. Behind the play button, if you look inside the device, there's actually a little output here. that you can drag a wire. I did it on one and I connected here. You can just drag it, the wire here. But now it's just like if I click the play button, it will immediately start. So even if the bass doesn't really kick in. So it's gonna be like start and then the bass comes in. If you want it to work together with the bass,
Yes.
then we want to take the actual sound of the bass to move this. So let's try that. So then the same way you connected the thing to a speaker, to the distortion, I'm gonna
Yes.
take that and
Sometimes it's loud with the distortion, and then I put in the mixer, and it's not loud like.
that's a bug. We need
Okay.
to fix it. But let me see if I connect this here, what happens? Okay, cool. Okay, so I want you to look what I did now. I just connected the output of the 808 to a stow. A stow, I showed before, it converts the stream, this audio cable, to an event, this jolt, these thinner cables. And then I connected it directly to the dial that changes the stars. And now see how it looks and tell me if you like it. Because if you like it, then that's cool. Because it goes like this.
Okay.
But we can tweak it. So try this, and I suggest, okay, the sound that comes through there, it goes from -1 to +1. That dial, it goes from 0 to 100 or how much you want. So in between that cable and the stow, you can put a map to control the values.
Yes.
You remember the map? I can show you again.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you. It's gonna be dope as hell. It's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
Um,
The rail doesn't go minus, right?
which one?
The rail.
The rail doesn't go minus.
Yeah, this minus, we need the minus values. The minus values were so useful.
Why are you so negative?
Because my
It's
problem
good to
is
be.
Huh?
my surface is floating above me and I don't get it. Maybe I need to.
I will join you in a minute and try to fix.
Okay, but
So tomorrow we're gonna do a multiplayer game.
I don't know because the multiplayer is a bit broken, but maybe what I think would be great, multiplayer doesn't work so well right now, but we could take a bit of what everyone did. He makes an environment, he makes some video, and I think you should be in there playing with the music.
Yeah.
And your movements can affect, like, let's try to combine
yeah,
everything.
because I have the AR video and then you have a floating environment and a background video. So
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, true.
it's a
Yeah,
beautiful
yeah, yeah.
environment.
Something is wrong for me.
Ah. You know what am I missing here, Peter? Like, I'm trying to stream to YouTube. I forgot.
I'll just make it on your
You need to
headset.
go on YouTube. You don't use the. Did you connect the thing? With the what's it?
I don't want it to open OBS. I mean, I didn't.
Sure. But
So.
on YouTube.
So the 808 is going to a S2E.
Actually, I would always go via the OBS. Now.
First of all, see this. Okay, let's do this step by step.
Yeah.
See this and play the 808.
And actually, I just need then the thingy, window, because I have this thing now.
Huh?
Just to record it.
I don't have battery.
Mm. It's not connected again?
The performance of today is
No.
good, you know?
I think it is
No idea.
connected, it's just
I also need to go.
save anyway.
check it.
Click save while you still can.
It doesn't hit battery.
But it's not the
Show me?
part.
It was
Yeah.
just fine a second ago.
Your couple was doing video.
But
Oh, okay.
You need
yeah.
Some workshop today.
I hope
Yeah.
it
But
will
they're not,
be,
I thought it was
she was.
Save.
I think she mentioned.
You don't have money for a headset?
Also did the
No.
recipe
From your parents?
or
They will not
whatever.
help?
but they're not presenting.
I'm not sure.
I don't think so.
She didn't specify more.
Maybe later, like if I
Maybe we can
if I
sell you a
find that
second
shop
hand.
in second hand.
Maybe we can sell you
Maybe.
one if you want.
Okay, yes, but right now I'm broke.
Yeah, okay.
But yes,
That's
I
a shame.
will find that shop
Yeah.
for sure.
But do you think if you had the headset, you would continue to make stuff
Yes,
with this?
yes,
Cool,
for sure.
cool. Ah, it's cool. You can stay as long as you want. We're gonna go maybe at like 8. If you want, you can stay longer. You can stay with us.
No, I think
Okay.
I will go because I have like 1 hour and a half for in
To go
train.
home.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
It's so cool that you came. It's really cool.
You don't live in Brussels?
No.
You live in Lyon?
Yes.
It's cool, yes, but cool.
It's so cool that you came, really.
Yeah.
Most people would, like your age, don't give a, like they just do whatever.
It's because they don't think
About the future?
Yes.
Yes, because because easily you can get scared, you know, like if you don't know so much or something. So it's
No, it's really, really, really cool of you.
Thanks.
Could I have a quick look? Let's
Yes.
see if
Sure.
I think I'm lost on the scale of the levels.
Ooh, damn. I need to make it a bit bigger.
So you know you're very close. But actually, if you go a bit.
Okay. I just thought I was outside of
No,
something.
if you go a bit
Whoa.
back, that's.
What did you do here? Oh, the ground is up there.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
was the issue?
So the idea is that I would, if his music comes in, then we could also let the ground slip or do like that.
Cool,
And sometimes go up, sometimes go down, right?
cool, cool, cool.
And then we have at least 2 AR videos which can also change intensity.
That's crazy. Okay, so the ground is here.
Yeah. And I already
Whoa,
I put the
what is happening? If I move up, it goes down?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Where's the rail?
But you also want to stream.
The rail is, I think, below. The
I
rail
see it,
is
I see
below
it, I see it, yes.
Streaming is
Maybe I need all.
I think maybe the problem you had was it was selected. You had a few things selected maybe, but let's make it like,
Of digital content.
okay, 1 second.
Then I already put the map everywhere that you can.
Okay, first of all, I'm putting it upside down
Okay.
so that, okay, the way it works with the rail is that if you grab the rail, it grabs
The rest.
the rail and their thing together. But if you grab the thing, you can position it relative to the rail. So I'm gonna make the rail. Okay, I'll give you another trick.
Yeah.
Hey, ciao.
Cool, man.
You know,
Adema, ciao.
tomorrow, yeah?
Yes, you.
oh, I like how you position the library. It's cool. So look, in settings,
Yeah.
there's another trick here on the bottom, which is a grid.
Ah, yeah.
That it's like it places things perfectly. So I have it perfectly
Okay.
horizontal,
Yeah.
and now I position the ground perfectly under it.
Okay. Nice.
First of all, before anything else.
By the way, the
Okay.
talk downstairs is so cool. This guy is so cool.
Oh yeah?
It's so cool.
I want to
Some
see.
things he's done, and he has mentioned hip hop as one of the biggest influences on himself. In the contrary to the yesterday's show, but the guy I don't know. The guy said that he's not into hip hop. This guy said hip hop is the thing, man. Is the inspiration for his work.
Amazing. Okay.
Set it up.
So I'll connect a thing to it.
Oh, you're streaming into YouTube.
Yeah. So normally should be.
I'm gonna go check him out.
Twitch, but you try and do it?
But first, I'll do this.
You need to go to settings.
Okay. So now you have one stream input that can set the range,
Yeah.
and one just slider that can move it inside this range.
Yeah, cool, super. The rest I can fix tomorrow.
Cool. It looks crazy. The
Yeah,
environment
a
is
bit,
like,
yeah,
whoa,
yeah,
it's trippy.
Yeah, no, it's,
I
so
love
maybe
it.
tomorrow in the morning we can work and then starting after
Yeah.
lunch before to integrate.
Perfect. And I would also, on that ground, I would make it much bigger.
Yeah.
Maybe you can use it together with set scale so that when it goes down, it goes even more big.
Okay.
That will be fun. Okay, I'm gonna check out the guy.
Yeah, let's have a look at it.
I'll go check him out.
He's so good, man. Talk to him also. Because he's doing now not the thing, but I definitely want to check him out, this guy. Oh, nice. Very good. Perfect. Let me watch that. You can also use your webcam. I mean, it's better to... Can I set it up?
For what?
What do you mean for
Yeah,
what?
like
So you have two screens. So you see yourself and this.
No, but I think for now, just I'm fine with just with.
Okay. I just think it's so powerful for the viewer
Yeah.
to see you as well.
Yeah, but just for now, I think it's fine.
Okay.
Thanks. Okay. I really like this. It's annoying, but at the same time, I like
The surface.
Yeah, because
Me too, I love
also you
cement.
can start coloring part of the.
Oh, I can see it, but we have no audio also on the stream.
That's good.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, and what I like about this medium is that once you're done streaming, you can save the video and that's it. You're done.
Yeah. No, that's why I have this practice with these Japanese artists, and then when we start working, at some point we were thinking like, how shall we record it? Shall we upload it? And then really fast we thought like, anytime. So every time, we do it every time when we meet, because we just meet online often.
Start stream.
So then we just the conversations.
We stream that.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
I love that.
Become a bit personal, like, but that's part of the practice.
I love that. That's what I do now. I call people and I stream that.
Yeah, this is actually.
It's so good.
You have to check it. I will send you the link. You have to check it. And then what we do there is just we work with more like web-based tools. What are my things?
I think I'm gonna wrap up the stream. Thank you guys for tuning in, whoever was watching for the day 2. I don't know, maybe there will be some knowledge drops, but that's it for today. I hope you learned something. And tomorrow we are going to be concluding the workshop with some performances, I hope. Let's see who's still watching. We got 2 viewers. So bye, dear 2 viewers, and anybody is tuning in later. This is the end of this day. Bye.